What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Frankie Candles live stream. Trying to see my monitor over there. Can you guys see me with this new microphone? Somebody randomly just stole my microphone and my mic stand from my studio, or the studio that I use. Not really my studio, but someone took my stuff, and they just bully me out here. They just take my stuff. They try to shut down the streams, but I just found this. I don't know where I found this. This mic was just laying around. I just grabbed it. I plugged it in. I hope it's working. Let me know if you guys can hear me. I feel like a radio DJ. Do I sound like a radio DJ? But what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Frankie Candles live stream every single weekday right here at 5:45 p.m. right after ATB, guys. I watched back a little bit of yesterday's stream. I think I need to slow it down a little bit. I was on one yesterday, so I'm going to try to slow it down a little bit so you guys can actually understand what I'm saying today. But, guys, also let me know if you can hear me and if the levels are okay or if I'm blowing out your eardrums. Please let me know because I don't want to be doing that. But let's see. Yes, everything is good. Loud and clear. Beautiful. Actually, I think these mics actually work a little better. But I think this actually probably sounds a little bit better than the shotgun mic. But, guys, we have an amazing show tonight. We have tons to talk about Bitcoin as we are starting to see things get a little bit exciting here. So... losing my voice a little bit there, guys. But we're going to be taking a look at Bitcoin. What is going on? Are we going to see this massive pump that everyone's expecting? Are we going to see a big dump? Is it going to be another bear market fake out? James, what is going on? He says, hey, Frankie, double smiley face. I appreciate that. We're going to take a look at Bitcoin. I'm going to let you guys know what I'm looking at. What I'm looking at for my next trades. I am not currently in any trades. I don't know if I mentioned this to you guys. I did jump into, I got stopped out in profit in a long, I think it was yesterday. I don't think I mentioned it on yesterday's stream, but stopped out in profit. Better to get stopped out in profit than not in profit. But I'm not currently in a trade. I'm going to let you guys know what I'm looking at to get into a trade. And then I'm going to show you the levels I'm watching, and I'm going to let you know if I think we're going to pump or dump. I'm going to give you the bearish case, the bullish case, as always, and then I'll let you guys know which way I'm leaning, and then you can make the decision for yourself. But without further ado, before we jump into it, guys, I do just want to bring this up really, really quick. If you have not already, go to frankiecandles.com, and number one, just go ahead and enjoy this picture of me smiling like a 5-year-old, because that's just first day, picture day at school photo right there. Absolutely have to get these replaced. But if you scroll down here, you will see WSOT registration is open. And you can join the Bit Squad right here. If you click join our team, you will join the Bit Squad. Registration ends in 12 days, so make sure you get in there and register, and let's see if we can win this thing. So yeah, don't forget to do that. They are giving away total prize pool of about $8 million, and I am going to try to get, there are a lot more details. I'm going to try to get more details on exactly what they'll be giving away and the different prizes for different things. They have all different stuff going on. You don't even really need to trade to win. So very, very, very exciting stuff there. Tony D just messaged me on Discord and said, refocus your camera. It's blurry. Deep breaths, Frank. Deep breaths. All right. BRB. Boom. Just almost tripped. I just almost tripped on a wire and ripped the whole streaming computer off the desk. Whoops. But yeah, guys, head over to frankiecandles.com. Join the Bit Squad if you're interested in the WSOT. Not the World Series of Poker, but the World Series of Trading. And also, I don't even think, like, if you think you're a bad trader or you're a new trader, like, you don't have to worry about hurting the team, because I think it just takes the best 10 traders and uses those scores, I believe. But I will get more information on this. But don't forget to click and join if you guys are interested in that. And then real quick, let's just go ahead and say what's up to chat before we jump right into the charts. Who do we got in chat today? Let's see. We got Slipstream. Your message got deleted. Should I peep at it, or do you think it's a troll that's going to make me angry? Oh, he said, "Geez, can this guy read?" As if I have the chat in my head. Let's see. Polo, what is going on? Attract All, what is going on? Lucho, what's up? Crypto Carl, welcome back. Thank you for being here. B Crypto 2181, what is going on? Connor, Anderson, what is going on? Welcome. Thank you for being here. Tony D, one of our wonderful mods. We also got Crypto Anon, Tyler Durden, Captain Kirk, and Tony D, the best mods on YouTube. Absolutely, hands down. No questions asked. We got Sean McDonald. What is going on? Blanchard's Bees, as always. Super happy to see you here, man. Let's see. Kelvin, what is going on? Wick 589, what is going on? XRP to 589. I don't know about that one, but maybe. Matt, what is going on? Kenton Smith, what's up? Chemistry, bro. The Red Bull can is more in focus than you, Frankie. What Red Bull can? There is no Red Bull can chemistry, bro. Come on. Why you got to out me like that? I'm just kidding. Thanks for being here, man. Let's see. Karam, what's up? Bubba's Crypto, what's up? Always lit. What is going on? Julian, what's up? Brian, Steven, Jay, Crypt TKO, what is going on, brother? Thank you for being here. The Bit, what is up? Crypto Cousin, what's going on? Julian, Captain Kirk, as always, what is going on? We got Captain Cuckoo. Captain Cuckoo for Crypto Puffs. I absolutely, Captain, I think that's my favorite one so far. Shout out to Captain. We love you. Linda Pity, my mother is in chat. Is that true? Is that true? Hey, Mom, look at me. I'm on TV. Shout out to the originator of the Frankie Candle Sauce, Mama, in the chat. Gaztop, what's going on? Welcome back. Happy to see you again, man. Wolfman, ate my coins. What's up? Welcome back, brother. Good to see you again. Wendell, one of our OGs. Hit that like button, CandleMafia. Wendell said it, not me. Jay and Pravi, what is going on? Safa and Mike. Frankie, Candles, nice. What is going on, Mike? Thank you for being here. Guys, and we got Jimmy with a stimmy in here. What is going on, Jimmy? Thank you guys for being here. I appreciate every single one of you. We are going to be giving away some NFTs at the end of this stream, so stay tuned for that. If you want to enter to win these NFTs, the mods will throw the link in the chat, and you guys would just go click on that video. You're going to want to like it, leave a comment, and be a subscriber, and that's all you got to do. I would recommend watching the video, too, but that's all you got to do to enter the giveaway, and we are giving away Cardano NFTs. I believe we're giving away 15 or something like that, so you got a bunch of chances to win. Mods, correct me in chat if I'm wrong, but smash that like button, because every 100 likes you get, or we get, you guys, I always mess it up. Every 100 likes we get, you guys get a spin on the wheel of pain and pleasure, and there are 2 spots on that wheel for a giveaway, so you get 2 chances to win a giveaway every single time. So definitely smash up the likes. Let's go for 550 likes. Usually we're kind of slow on Fridays. People are out having fun, doing their thing. But go ahead and smash that like button, guys. I appreciate it. Helps out the channel. The easiest and most free way to help out the channel. And without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and jump into the charts. Here we are on the Bitcoin 4-hour. Why are we on the Bitcoin 4-hour? We want to go to the daily, and I'm actually going to pull up my naked chart here. Let's see. I got my pink flesh, I guess. Naked chart here. Now, some things that we have to look at here, guys, is 2-day confirmed bullish divergence, right? Confirmed bullish divergence on the 2-day. This is a pretty rare bullish signal, right? Similar to the daily bullish divergence, but this one is maybe a little stronger here, being on a longer time frame. But we haven't really seen the oomph that we want out of the daily bullish divergence. But hopefully this 2-day can cross over and give us a little move to the upside. But as you guys can see there, we do have a lower low on price as you have a higher low on your momentum waves. That is the bullish divergence. Hopefully we could see a move to the upside, and I'm going to elaborate on that in just a second. Daily, we do have the bullish divergence. Obviously did not play out as well as we wanted it to, but hey, as I was saying, you could see this VWAP come up and then reverse and just keep, come down a little bit and then just reverse back to the upside and come up there. And, maybe we will see it play out, but, pretty lackluster for a daily bullish divergence. Just for reference, here's another one. Here's your lower high and your lower low, and you get a blast off. Obviously, this is a different time in the market, but you would expect something a little more than this out of a daily bullish divergence. So coming down here, 16-hour, green dot has already printed, and then 12-hour, VWAP above the 0 line. 10-hour coming down, 8-hour. I'm just gonna move to our bullish. We have some bullish things and some bearish things popping up, guys. So I want you guys to approach with caution. But I will say I'm probably leaning a little more bullish at this exact moment, and I'm gonna explain why. And also, I mentioned this in chat for anyone who did not see, guys. I have a pretty exciting announcement to make. I'll do it right after Bitcoin. After we look at Bitcoin, I will let you guys know what I'm talking about. But it's pretty exciting. I think you guys are going to find this interesting, and you guys will be excited as well. We were working on a little bit of a deal for the CandleMafia on a specific thing. Now, I don't want anyone getting their hopes up on certain things, right, or thinking it's one thing. It's not Market Cipher. I won't say that. We will work on a Market Cipher deal. We do have the 20% discount, so we already have a deal. But we'll try to get keep getting you guys more deals. But there is a new product that we have worked with the owners to get a pretty good deal, and I think you guys are going to be really excited. I'm going to leak it in just a second, but let's continue on with the TA here. Bullish, right, on the bullish side, we have the 2-day confirmed bullish divergence, as you guys saw. 4-hour money flow really, really creeping up towards that zero line, getting real close here, as you can see. Now, we were actually getting the crossover before, but it actually stopped. This VWAP has been above the zero line for a while, so maybe you come back down for, you just peak down for a second, money flow comes down a little bit, but then when you get that second crossover, you cross into the green, and you come up a bit. Now, when you get these, we were printing a bearish divergence that did get invalidated, but if we get this VWAP cross below the zero line, we are going to be keeping an eye on the 15-minute to be crossing over with the money flow into the red. This is typically a pretty good short signal, pretty reliable. But right now, I would say I'm leaning bullish, so be careful with the shorts at this very moment, in my opinion. But 4-hour money flow crossing over, looking like it wants to cross over. Like I said, you might have to wait for that VWAP to come below the zero line and back up before you get the crossover. Nonetheless, though, this is looking like an imminent crossover into the green, which would be bullish. 3-hour money flow, we did get the crossover. You are currently printing a green dot on the momentum wave right here. So that is another bullish puzzle piece, right? Now, 2-hour, obviously you've been in the green. But 4-hour money flow, the 2-day bullish divergence has got me feeling pretty good, right? Now, let me pull up my other chart with some of my levels so I can give you guys an idea. Now, another thing that you guys can keep your eye on is going to be this head and shoulders on the hourly. I know everybody is looking at this. Everybody is watching this. This is the focus of today in the world of TA. Depending on how you measure this, depending on how you draw it, it could bring us up to this, 25K range. We do have this spider line. We have the confluence of the spider line right here. 25,178 is that spider line. But I would give us this box here as resistance. Now, the target does bring us right up there. So if we do get a pretty big breakout, I would look for this as a target. Now, depending on how you actually draw the head and shoulders, you could get a little bit of a higher target. The higher target getting closer to about 27K. But I'm just going to keep this lower target here. And then if we come a little higher, we could reassess when we get up here. We still have a ways to go here. First levels that we do need to get past, we are about to bang our head right onto this spider line. If we do get a pump up here, we might see a little bounce off. But if we can get a move above this spider line, right, this spider line is coming in at about $21,572. If we can get up here, flip this to support, we need to work our way out of this box, right? This is the next level. We do have the 200-week moving average around this level, right? So we do have a pretty significant area of resistance right here. So this would be the first level, and this is coming in about, between 22,260 and 22,480. This is going to be, you could even, you could probably extend this up, even this spider line as well. The spider line is coming in at about 23,116, right? So first, we need to work our way out of the 200-week moving average, back above this white box, and then we can fight this spider line right here. Right, then once that happens, we can start to feel pretty good about making our way up to this next spider line, which would be the target of this head and shoulders. So, 25,178. This is kind of my target. Like I said, you could draw it, depending on how you draw the head and shoulders and how you measure it, you could get a target a little closer to 27K. But, once we get up here, if it's looking strong, we can reassess and then get that next measured move up to closer to 27K. And we do have a spider line up here at about 28. We're moving the spider line. Oh, my God. We do have this spider line up here at about 28,634 as well. So if we do get, even if we get past that 27K target, this is probably we're going to see some strong resistance at this spider line. So, with this inverse head and shoulders, right, bullish puzzle piece. 4-hour money flow crossover about to happen, actually happening as we speak. There you go. It is just crossing into the green here. Bullish puzzle piece, right? Now, obviously, in a bear market, these don't play out as well as they do in a bull market. But the last time this did happen, right, on our way down here, we did wind up getting a 5% pump, so that's pretty lackluster. Typically, they can be stronger than that, so don't be fooled if this does bring us up more than 5%. But, if we did get the crossover right here and we came up 5%, I mean, it brings us to the top of the box. So maybe the head and shoulders maybe the money flow crossover brings us to the top of the box. But, don't be fooled. You could see it play out a lot more as well. Let's see if we can find a little bit of a normal one. Yeah, here you go. This is a little more indicative of these crossovers. Right here, you come up 28%. These are a little more typical for them. But you want to remember, we're in a bear market, guys. This one brought you up about 27%. So we're in a bear market, so you do want to be careful. Bullish setups are not going to play out as much as they do in a bull market. They're not going to play out in a bear market as much as they do in a bull market, obviously. But if we come up 25 or so percent here, it brings you right to that, almost 27K, right? Similar to that other measured move, from the head and shoulders, if you, depending on how you measure it, right? So, between 25, maybe we'll just kind of, we'll put right here. I mean, you can see price did get hung up at this level, right? We came down, we bounced on here. Whoops. We came down, we bounced on here. So you can kind of see that price got hung up here. And then, like I said, depending on how you measure this head and shoulders, are you going to the wicks? Are you going to the bodies? So that does change the target slightly. So when I first measured it, I pulled 25,178, and then I measured it differently, got closer to 27K. So you're either target's going to bring you here or here, and the fact that we're getting the 4-hour money flow crossover that typically can bring us up about 25%, and the fact that gets us 25, 28% gets us right to that 27K level or near it is pretty bullish, right? So bullish puzzle piece, money flow crossover, bullish puzzle piece, inverse head and shoulders, bullish puzzle piece, 2-day confirmed bullish divergence, right? So we do have a lot of bullish things popping up on the charts. I do think these do have the possibility to pump us up, right? Now a little bit more on the bearish side, because I do like to give you guys both sides of the scenario, but 6-hour is coming down, looking to probably print a red dot pretty soon here. 4-hour as well. Again, this might kind of just bring us down to retest this level as support again before moving up. So if you get that 4-hour VWAP crossover and your money flow on the 15-minute is going into the red, you might come down a little bit, but that's really nothing compared to a 2-day bullish divergence. So I would say, in my own personal opinion, I am leaning a little bit more bullish here. So yeah, we are kind of seeing price. Every pullback is, it's slight pullback, bigger pump, right? Slight pullback, bigger pump. Slight pullback, bigger pump, right? So we're making higher highs. Well, at least here on the 15-minute. So it is feeling a little more bullish for now. I will say that. But there you go. There's some levels that you guys can watch, some price targets for you. And then if we do dump down, right, if we do actually get a little bit of heavy dump, right, and also a lot of the bearish signals are not pulling through, right? Like I said before, we were printing a bearish divergence on the 4-hour, and it just pushed through it, and it got invalidated. Yesterday, we were printing, I think it was yesterday, we were printing 4-hour blood diamonds, 3-hour blood diamonds. They both disappeared, right, kind of showing that the bears might be losing steam because these bearish signals are getting pushed through by the bulls, right? So it is feeling like, and, with all that being said, we are all kind of, there's got to be some relief coming at some point, right? We thought it was coming a while ago. It never came, right? But it is going to come at some point, right? So it also, would make some sense to get a nice, decent little bit of a relief rally. Not going to pump up probably to where we thought we would originally with a relief rally because we've come down so much further. But it is seeming like this would be a better time than any to get that relief. So let's go. Hey, the days of old. What is going on? Welcome back. You like my new microphone? So anyway, let's go ahead and check on chat here real quick. Oh, interesting. Okay. Anyway, let's go ahead and check chat real quick before. Actually, let me make this announcement, guys. So I was just on the phone with a guy named Sean, and Sean is the creator, I believe, of something called. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of it. Have you guys? Hang on. Come on. Have you ever heard of so there you go. Have you guys ever heard of something called Lux Algo? Let me know in the chat if you guys have ever heard of Lux Algo. We just got off the phone with him, and I think we worked out a pretty good deal. A little bit of a discount for the CandleMafia. Pretty cool. I'm going to be checking out the indicator, letting you guys know what I think, but we did lock in a pretty good discount code for you. Tony D, if you could drop that in chat, that would be great, or however we want to share it. I'll leave that up to you, Tony. Only heard of Lux from Jeb. Yes, I think Jeb does use Lux Algo. It's a very, very powerful indicator. Like I said, I'm going to be letting you guys know what I think about it. We're not fully set up yet. We just got off the call literally right before the live stream. So we're not fully set up yet, but starting Monday, we're going to start taking a look at this, and we're going to get a discount code for you guys. It's a very, very powerful indicator. I know Jeb loves it. So we're going to cover it, and we're going to start coming up. We're going to do some trading strategies. There you go. Frankie20 is the discount code, guys. Go check them out. Like I said, not fully set up yet, but we will be covering Lux Algo in detail, and I'm going to let you guys know some of the best ways that I find to use it. And yeah, some super, super exciting stuff. I like trying to get deals for you guys, for Lux Algo. Or any kind of indicator. We try to get the best deals we can for the CandleMafia, and then even when we get the deals, we try to negotiate better deals for you guys, because we know these things are kind of expensive, and not everybody has gone through a bull run and made a ton of money and is able to buy these things. So we try to get you guys as much of a discount as we can. But super cool people over at Lux Algo. Shout out to Sean, man. Super happy to be talking in the works with you guys. So shout out to you guys. Yeah, buddy. Lux is awesome, guys. Some of the mods actually already got started on Lux Algo. They're absolutely loving it. So shout out to you, Crypto Anon. Jeb did not create Lux Algo. No. No. Sean, I believe, is the mastermind behind the whole thing. So, shout out to Sean. Shout out to Lux Algo. We appreciate you guys for hooking up the CandleMafia with a powerful indicator such as Lux Algo. They have, I believe, 3 different indicators and a bunch of different tools. And yeah, I know they're pretty highly respected. I know a lot of people who use it and love it. And yeah, you're the best, Frankie. Of course, Curtis. I got you. What's up, Mike Snellen? What is going on, man? Shout out to you guys. And yeah, we do it for the CandleMafia, guys. But yeah, it's going to be a lot of fun. It's going to be a lot of cool content. We'll be able to bring it on stream. We'll find the best trading strategies. And then, yeah, if you're not ready to pull the trigger, you can, stay tuned. We'll be running this thing through the ringer 100%, and you can learn kind of how to use it and learn if it would be right for you before you pull the trigger. But when you do pull the trigger, you're going to get that 20% off discount. So shout out to you guys, the CandleMafia, and shout out to Sean from Lux Algo. We appreciate you, brother. Super excited to thank you. We really do appreciate you doing this deal for the CandleMafia. So yeah, anybody excited about trying it, or if you were looking to buy it but it was too expensive, there you go, a little bit of a discount. So shout out to them. Now let's go through chat a little bit before we get back into the TA. We're going to take a look at ETH in just a second. We're going to look at the DXY. Actually, before we say hi to chat, guys, I do want to cover this, right? Another bullish puzzle piece here. The DXY, we've been talking about this for a while. The DXY is looking dumpy. I'm going to call it that. It's looking like it wants to fall. It's looking dizzy, right? It's looking like, boom, just going to dump over. But it is definitely looking pretty dumpy. Now, if you just, we've been seeing bearish divergences, forming here. We get the big dump, right? Another big dump. Now, we are holding this support right here, but one thing you do want to understand about this, just this structure here really is, boom, right? Even if you draw it to these candles, and then, we'll get a little bit of a... You are approaching this resistance making lower highs, right? Typically, that does push you down through support, right? And then, we turn on Market Cipher A. You did get a blood diamond here. So that's pushing you down. No yellow X's or anything like that. But coming over to the daily, boom. Yeah, this is technically a bearish divergence. I think there's a bearish divergence on the 2 or the 3 day. Yeah, 3 day. Yeah, 2 day. The 2 day is not confirmed, but this is a big bearish divergence. We've been talking about this for a while, guys. Not the 2 day bullish bearish divergence, but just the fact that the DXY, the 4-hour money flow is what we were looking at. 4-hour money flow has crossed over into the red. I've been saying the DXY has been looking pretty bearish with that 4-hour money flow crossover. Another bullish puzzle piece for Bitcoin. When the DXY is losing money out of when the DXY is losing money, that's typically bullish for Bitcoin. So that money flow crossover into the red on the 4-hour is good for Bitcoin, right? And then 2-hour 2 day bearish divergence, boom, boom, right? This is pretty indicative of this thing possibly taking a dump, right? How far will it go? We can't say, but. This is typically very, very bearish. You can see the DXY just absolutely dump from this, which would support the 2 day bullish divergence, right? That basically they're opposite of each other, right? You got the 4-hour money flow crossover into the red on the DXY. You got the money flow crossover into the green on the 4-hour on Bitcoin. You got the 2 day bullish divergence on Bitcoin, the 2 day bearish divergence on the DXY, right? So the fact that this looks so bearish is also very bullish for Bitcoin. So, and then you also had the bearish divergence on the daily, right? Because you had the bullish divergence on Bitcoin. So, obviously you're going to see these things show opposite signals, but it's very good that we're seeing the money flow crossover and these bearish divergences. This is also kind of, on top of all the stuff on Bitcoin, this is kind of just another reason why I'm being pretty careful with the shorts right now. And there you go. Yeah, there you go. We're moving, baby. We're moving. Now, this is kind of with the head and shoulders, right? Breakout, retest, perfect entry here on the retest. This is kind of how you want to trade these, or any pattern, really. You want the breakout, the retest. You don't want to trade the breakout. You want to wait for that retest and then enter here so you don't get wrecked on this dump. However, I was very, very busy today, and I missed my entry. But, just looking, let's see. Yeah, so with the 4-hour money flow crossover, if this confirms, let's see. I got Discord notifications just blowing me up right now. Let's see. Yeah, money flow crossover, if this confirms, I just really wish I was able to get in on this retest, but I just missed it. I just purely missed it. Did I call this in the Discord? I don't know if I don't think I called this in the Discord. I might have, but yeah, I wish I could have got in here. That 4-hour money flow crossover, I don't know. It wouldn't be the worst place. I would like to enter on that if that confirms, but it's just not the bet. It's not the. I missed the retest. I just missed that perfect entry. So I don't know. I'm a little OCD. I'm a little critical on the entries. But 4-hour money flow crossover. Not financial advice, guys. But we do have a lot of things pointing in a bullish direction. But I just wanted to point out that bearish divergence on the DXY as well. Checking in on the SPY. Coming in at 390, getting a nice little pump, right? Remember we were talking. I mean, look, the arrow is here, right? I was saying when we were coming down to this support, when we were having that bullish divergence on the daily for Bitcoin, I was like, you know what? The SPY is at support. We've been waiting to come down to this support for quite some time. This is exactly what we're seeing, right? We're finally getting this move to the upside. So another bullish puzzle piece for Bitcoin. The bullish puzzle pieces are outweighing the bearish puzzle pieces at this point, 100%. All right, let's see. Boom. Oh God, chat going absolutely nuts. Are there tours of the studio? That's funny. I had someone suggest to me that we put that on the wheel, like a tour of the studio. We can 100% do that. I just don't know how we would do it because I can't really move the camera around. Maybe we go live on TikTok and I give you guys a live tour of the studio. Yeah, let me know. How much battery do I have? My battery's almost dead on my phone. I was going to say maybe we'll do it at the end of this. Yeah, we'll put it on the wheel. A studio tour, we'll put it on the wheel because this place is gigantic. So it will be pretty cool for you guys to check out for sure. Let's see. I took profits. Do I go back in? Do I go back in? That's what it sounds like. Brian, listen, hope everyone has been doing good today. Glad to catch you live. Frankie, hey, Palmetto, Nick, what is going on? Welcome back. I got to stop cutting comments off to read other comments because I always forget to go back to the other comment. Do I go back in? That's what it sounds like. I'm feeling bullish. This is not financial advice. You should not just copycat trade me. I'm currently not in a trade. Like I said, I missed that entry off that retest on the head and shoulders here. But 4-hour money flow crossover might not be the might not be the worst entry, especially with the 2-day bullish divergence. That's really what's making me feel good. But if you guys watch the channel, you know we've been waiting for this money flow crossover for a very, 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 very long time. And it's happening. It's happening. It's happening, people. It's happening. But yeah, it's that is a pretty bullish sign, and last crossover didn't give us much, right? So I feel like you're probably, we're probably ready to come up here and hang out for a little while. Plus, if we do get this pump up here, if I enter down here, I'm not going to be that pissed about getting in here instead of here, right? Like it's just a tiny bit. So, yeah. So there you go. Now let's go to chat and see what everybody's got going on here. So many double bottoms. Chainlink is looking tasty. Yeah, let's go, baby. Frankie and the CandleMafia just keeps getting stronger and stronger. Lux sauce, baby. Yeah, guys, this is a whole new era of sauce that I am going to be giving you guys on Lux Algo 100%. I am so excited to make all of this content. So many new videos, so much new content for the live stream, so many new things we can do. And Lux Algo has so many, not just indicators, but also all these different tools that we can use. It has so much stuff. And like I said, we couldn't get it all set up in time. Like my account's not set up. Obviously, I have access to an account now, so it's not all set up. But Monday, we will start to cover it. And then next week, maybe we'll just jump into doing some pre-recorded videos on it, something like that. But absolutely cannot wait to get this started. It's going to be insane. When I went long... Crypto Pollo, or as I call him, Chicken Pollo. I call you Chicken Pollo, just so you know, just because it's fun to say. Chicken Pollo. Chicken Pollo. Pizza, pizza. Pizza, pizza. Let's see. Flux is like Chainlink, super solid. Yes. Could be a weekend dump. We can hear your Discord. Oh, you can hear my Discord? That is the most obnoxious thing ever. It's so annoying. I don't know how... I don't know how to mute it, guys. I've tried to mute it. I've actually muted it, and they still come through. I don't know why Discord hates me. Discord hates me almost as much as the people that take all my equipment hate me. Anyway, let's see. HNT is pumping today. Pretty cool. Yeah, HNT. Let's go. Mr. Ethereum. Let's see. Let's get it. Let's see. Hope everyone has been doing good today. Glad to catch y'all live. Frankie, we read that one already. Palmetto, Nick, what is going on? I am in for a buy at 20,400. Good job. You are in the green, my friend. Let's go ahead and get it. Checking the lower time frames, guys, real quick right here. In the green, right? Not looking too bad. 18-minute crossover, 23-minute. Yeah, this money, this is sketchy. It's coming into the red, and then comes back into the green. Now it's coming down. But yeah, 30-minute crossover. What's the 90-minute doing? Kind of just hanging out there. Yeah. Again, guys, although we do have all these bullish, I am feeling pretty bullish right now. There is so much evidence that points towards a bullish narrative. However, we are in a bear market, so be very careful. Please be very careful. Just because it doesn't mean it's just going to pump, right? Nothing's 100%, but we do have quite a bit of confluence here pointing to the upside. So, don't just because I say that it looks bullish does not mean that we are 100% going to pump. And that goes for any YouTuber. If any YouTuber is saying it's bullish, it's going to pump, maybe will. Most likely, if they're good at TA, it probably will happen. But, just be careful. We're in a bear market, right? So, you could get a little bear market fake out. So be careful. Somebody clip that. Be careful. I'm just kidding. You don't actually have to clip that. Let's see. Lane Hughes added to spread, though, but no long at all. Yeah, let me talk about that. Guys, if you miss any TI on Matic, yeah, we're going to do, we'll look at Matic here in just in a couple seconds or a couple minutes. Guys, if you're missing trades, don't freak out. Don't freak out. I just showed you. I missed my entry right here. I could have entered on this retest. I missed it. Right? Now, this wouldn't be, I wouldn't really consider this FOMOing into the trade, right? But you don't want to enter the long in a giant green candle, right? Not giant, but, again, if you entered here instead of here, it's a little bit of a difference, but, enter, wait for a pullback. Even if we come up here and pull back, you don't want to enter at the top of these green candles, right? You want to wait for some red to get into an entry. Who knows? We could come down and test this for a third time before finally getting that bounce up, and then that's when you really start to get the momentum to the upside. So you're going to be real pissed if you FOMO in right here and then it retraces down here and then bounces, right? Because when you start coming down here, if you wick below this, you're going to start getting really, really nervous, and you might cut the trade, and then finally you get the bounce, and now you just entered here to get wrecked, right? You do not want to get wrecked. So don't enter on these big green candles. Not big green candles, but don't enter at the top of this little pump here. Wait for a little pullback, right? It's like a lot of people probably entered here thinking they were missing the move, and then we dumped back down. People probably entered here thinking they were, this is the move, and then they come back down here. Wrecked. Right? If we come back down, they're going to get wrecked. But obviously, at some point, it's going to keep going, right? So, you're rolling the dice when you FOMO into trades like that. Maybe you FOMO in here and it launches to the upside. Not impossible, but definitely too risky for my taste, right? So I'm a little more of a conservative trader, so I'm going to wait for a little bit of a pullback. And if we get that, you could come to a lower time frame, right? Come to the 15-minute, right? Don't be buying this, right? Like, even if you're not buying this, even if you're looking at this, don't buy this, buy that, right? Just for the principle of it. You don't want to get used to buying the green candles. You want to buy red candles, right? So, like, in this section, right here, as you're pumping, you're thinking, I'm not buying this. I'm waiting for a possible retest of this again, right? And then if you don't get it, you don't get it. But if you get that red candle, then maybe you get in on that red candle. But, for me, I'm not buying this. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Maybe we'll get into a trade here. All right, let's see. But yes, so true, haha, about all that. Yeah, you will always have another entry point. Wait for the right time. Yeah, so somebody reached out to me today and was saying, like, how do you deal with missing trades or just getting wrecked in general? Like, if you lose, like how do you? It ruins my day. Like, how do you avoid it? And I said, listen, I'm right there with you, man. Like, I don't like losing trades. I don't like missing trades. Like, I'll be honest, I would almost rather lose a trade than miss a trade. It's just that feeling of FOMO that really eats me alive, and it's probably different for everybody, right? Some people might hate losing. I'm better at taking a loss on the chin than I am missing a trade, especially if you're looking at it and you're like, this looks like a good entry, and then you don't take it, and then it works out in your favor. Oh, it's the worst feeling ever. Absolute worst feeling ever. And the answer to the question is 666 people in here. What a weird number. But yeah, smash that like button. 655 people in here. Thank you all for tuning in. For every 100 likes, you get every 100 likes we get, you guys get a spin on the wheel of pain and pleasure. And there are 2 spots for a giveaway on each one. More spins, more giveaways. We're already giving away 55 NFTs, so smash the like button so you guys can get some last-minute spins, some last-minute NFTs. But the moral of the story is, guys, I miss trades. I lose trades. I told you I got stopped out in profit most recently, but the trade before that, I showed you guys, I got stopped out for a $250 loss, right? Which is small. It's a small loss compared to my previous wins, but and that's really what's important. Make your losses small and your wins big, right? But the moral of the story is you just got to try to manage it. I mean, I get pissed off all the time when you don't know how many entries. I'm pissed off right now I missed this entry, right? And it's just you got to kind of try to you got to try to deal with it. Yeah, it's just you got to try to deal with it. It's hard. I was telling the person, I was just saying, maybe walk away, right? Walk away for a couple days. There's nothing wrong with that. Walk away from the charts a couple days. Let price do its thing. If it's pumping, you missed it, let it pump. Don't FOMO in. Just let it pump. Let it go. It's going to pump again. It's going to dump again. So don't get wrecked trying to chase every single pump and dump. Because if you just take a couple days off, let it pump, let it go, and then come back with fresh eyes. Come back with fresh eyes, reevaluate the situation, and get back into the game. That's what I'll say. I'll leave you guys with this. There's always another pump always another dump. So don't get wrecked trying to chase every single one. If you had to take some time off, let it pump and dump without you a couple days, right? And then come back, look at it with fresh eyes. That's what I would say. I just saw somebody put a chat in there, and I actually had a conversation with someone earlier today, so I just wanted to touch on that. Let's see. Lane Hughes, what's going on, brother? He says the CME dealers are more short than ever again. Uploaded data today. Up spreads, but no longs on BTC and shorts through the roof. Bring up commitment of traders, and you'll see. Oh, interesting. Martin says, "Hey, I love you." Hey, Martin, I love you too. Martin, you're my guy. V Slim, what is going on? Daddy Zach with a retracted message. Did it have a typo? We'll never know. Let's see. Frankie, what's the highest leverage you ever used? I mean, I've used 100x leverage before. I don't trade with 100x leverage, but I mean, I was a beginner at some point, right? I had the same idea everyone else had. I'll put $100 in on 100x leverage or $1,000 in with 1,000x leverage, and I'll be a millionaire overnight, right? And then I got wrecked. I was a beginner too. So I've used 100x leverage before. I've gotten wrecked plenty of times, guys. That's why I want you to learn through my mistakes. Don't make the mistakes yourself. Learn from me. I was a beginner. I got wrecked. I used high leverage. I got wrecked. I would do much better using higher leverage now because I know what I'm doing. But in the beginning, you want to be very, very careful. And still, I know what I'm doing, and I don't use high leverage. Guys, most of the time, I am using between 3 and 5x leverage. I would say between 3 and 7, depending on how confident I feel. Sometimes, if I'm feeling like a degen, I'll use 10x leverage. Like I said, I'm a more conservative trader. I'm not out here using 50. I know. I tuned into Jason Casper's stream one time, and this dude is a savant. This dude is on 50x leverage, and he's just like crushing it. But Jason knows what he's doing, right? You don't want to Jason knows what he's doing. Gunpoint, I see you, brother. I see you. But yeah. He knows what he's doing. I don't want anyone, even like me, like you see me trading, I use lower leverage, but, that's what I mean. Like some people can use high leverage if they know what they're doing and make money. Jason's a perfect example of that. But I'm sure Jason will tell you he gets wrecked sometimes too. But he knows what he's doing. So you want to be careful. You don't want to just be a beginner and start using 50 or 100x leverage. But shout out to Jason. We got to have Jason on the channel soon. We haven't had him on in a while. And I think Evan Aldo is going to come on soon too. Probably Evan Aldo is going to be on next week. And then Lifer, Crypto Lifer collab coming up soon. And we'll get Jason Casper soon too. Let's see. Yeah, Jason uses 75x. Yeah, he is a savage. I tuned in. He's like up $6,000, like 75x leverage, no problem. Just like, yeah, what's up? Like I'm up $6,000. He's the man. I love Jason. Jason's cool. Let's see. Long from 19,972 using 50x leverage. Jonathan, you are or Jason is? I don't know. Either way, that's savage. Good job. Congratulations. Yeah, 75. Shout out to Jason Casper, man. You are a beast. Also, I saw a YouTube short. Dude is yoked. Dude's a massive human being. He's like a bodybuilder. He's huge. Frankie, watch for the BTC short right now. All right, let's zoom. Oh, there. See, look, there you go. Wouldn't even been pissed if you bought in right there. All right, taking a look here. No bearish divergence. Let's see. Going to the 1 minute. Oh, there you go. You had a divergence on the 1 minute right there. Whoops. It's Friday, guys. Let's. I'm kind of like through the schedule out the window here. We're just going for it. Look, we talked about these divergences, guys. Boom. Come on. Boom. Higher highs. Boom. Lower lows. Open alligator mouth, right? This microphone's in my way. Alligator mouth. Bearish divergence, guys. So, boom. Plays out perfectly. We talked about this yesterday. We backtested the bearish divergences. Boom. Comes right down, right? This is how you could have caught this. Money flow coming into the red. This is another reason when you see the bearish divergence and you see money flow starting to come out as well, that is another reason that can give you a little bit of confidence to get into that short. Now, I'm not saying enter a short, guys. Do not. This move has been missed. This move is almost over. But this just goes to show you, if you really want to have fun scalping, I used to do this a lot more often before, I had the channel. I have a lot to do now, so I'm not able to scalp the 1 minute as much. But, this is fun, right? Like if you want to, this is where you would use probably lower money, higher leverage. But you could catch this move, little 1% move with a little bit of higher leverage. I never like really trade with 50x or 75x like that. I just personally don't do that. Obviously, someone like Jason has perfect success doing that, but I just don't typically do that. But I'll put maybe a lower amount of money. I'll throw maybe 15x, 20x. It's kind of the highest I'll really go. And catch these smaller moves on the 1 minute, and you get 20% here, 50% there. Make a couple trades a day. You'll wind up pretty good at the end of the day. But a little risky, right? Higher leverage, going to be a little more risky. Like I said, this move is over. You guys missed this move. Don't jump in. That's why you should not copycat trade. This move has been over. Let's see. Hey, guys. How is everyone doing? Hope all is well. Jack Destiny, welcome back. Happy to have you here, man. We are creeping up on 700 people in chat. Guys, smash that like button if you like the content, if you're learning something, or if you're just having a good time with the Mafia. Show some love to that like button. When alligators are sick, they puke. Downward price action. Neil, what's up, Neil? You absolutely nailed that on the head. Alligator mouth, they puke, right? Open alligator mouth, blah, pukes out that red blood, right? Let's see. You got me stuck in a long AM. I think you might be trolling. But also, we're looking at the 1 minute here. If you entered along on the 4 hour, also told you not to enter along. I think you're joking, but if you're not joking, I told you not to copycat trade, and I told you I was not in a trade. And I specifically said, do not enter a trade. This is not financial advice. I specifically told you. So if you did enter along and you're yelling at me because you're stuck in a long, first of all, you're not stuck in it. Again, I think you might be joking, but yeah. Like if you entered along here, like this is the 1 minute. You're not losing all your money. This is the 1 minute. Calm down, everybody. Calm down. Shout out to AM. Thank you for being here, man. I can't tell if you're joking or not. Let me know. Let me know if you're joking or not, because if you're joking, it's kind of funny. But if you're not joking, we're gonna have to teach. We could teach you a valuable lesson. You're probably learning it right now if you are serious. But shout out to AM. We love you, brother. Let's see. Thank you, Tyler. Tyler's doing nice things to people, apparently. I see a lot of thank you, Tylers. Let's see. Do you think ETH will flip Bitcoin? I do think it's possible in the future. I don't know when, but I do think it is possible. I think there is going to be a moment where people realize that the diminished returns on Bitcoin is going to become not worth it for new people to invest in Bitcoin, because the returns are going to be so weak compared to the altcoins, right? They're going to go straight, and then they're going to go straight to ETH, because ETH is still going to be safe with higher gain potential. But when Bitcoin is stabilized and super mature, and it's going up closer like what the stock market does, I think a lot of retail is going to lose interest in investing in Bitcoin, because unless you have $1 million, why would you want 10% return? Unless you have a ton of money to put in, like, why are you going to get 10% when you can get 20x on an altcoin, right? All right, let's see. Can we spin the wheel and give away some ADA and XRP? Flat Smack, are you taking advantage of the whole thing that Tony taught me in life? The answer is always no unless you ask. Are we going to have to give away some XRP and ADA? What platform should I use to trade? I use Femex. I use Femex and KuCoin for the most part. Let's see. The only long anyone should have is the long listen to Frankie Candle. Shout out to you, Magic Bro. I appreciate you. Where's that guy? AM. We didn't kick him out, right? Unblock him, because I want to know if he's joking. He might be joking. If he's not joking, then we need to have a serious conversation. But yeah, come on, AM, come back. Did you get mad? You got mad at us for no reason, and you left? Come on, man, come back. The Mafia wants you, brother. Anyway, leverage newbies always get wrecked. I'm actually saying bad luck to you. Frankie, how much XRP is enough XRP? I think, listen, everybody's different, right? Because for one person, your goal in a bull run might be $1 million. But if you're starting at a smaller point and you don't have a lot of money, maybe your goal is to make $10,000. If $10,000 is a lot of money to you and you walk away at a bull run with 10 grand and you're super happy about it, everyone starts at a different place. But listen, if you have 10,000 XRP, I think you got a real good chance. I think you got a real good chance of financial freedom, in my own personal opinion. So I would say, 10K XRP, you could probably slow down on accumulating, right? But it's so hard to not buy these dips. Liam Kames says, give away a month free of Lux Algo, Frank. We'll work on it. We will work on it. We just got the discount codes. We don't want to scare Lux Algo away already. Like, hey, I know you just gave us a discount, but can we have some free ones too? But I know you guys would absolutely love that. Maybe we'll work out a deal with them. Maybe we buy it or something, and then we just give it away to you guys or whatever. But we will work on that. We will work on that. I don't know if we can keep this microphone. I always play with it. I can't stop playing with it. All right, let's see. Dang, AM. I'm kind of waiting for AM to pop in here. I hope he's like, did he get into crypto 2 minutes ago and he jumped in and he goes, okay, I guess this is what I do. Like, I don't know. Maybe I think it was a troll. Anyway, all right, guys, let's go ahead and check on ETH almost at 1,300. Not almost, but 1242. Not looking too bad. Yeah, not looking too bad. Not looking too bad. But there you go. Actually, can we go back to Bitcoin for a second? Let's go to the 1 hour. Yeah. Don't FOMO, people. Don't FOMO. Now, I want you guys to understand. I am feeling FOMO right now. I want to enter this trade right now. I want to go on this other screen and enter a trade. But the key is, like, you're never going to get the emotions out. You're always going to feel the emotions. That's important to realize. You're always going to feel the emotions, right? I am dying to FOMO into this trade right now. I don't care it's green. I just want to jump in. And then even if it goes down a little, I just want to jump in. The 4 hour money flow crawl, I'm feeling bullish. I just want to jump in and FOMO in. But I am not, right? I have the discipline to not do that. Because in an hour or 2 hours or 3 hours or 4 hours, the price could retrace a little bit, and I'm going to be pissed that I didn't enter there. So, or maybe in a couple hours, it's mooned, and I missed the move. And it's going to stink. I'm going to hate it. I'm going to be very mad. But it's important that you don't FOMO in. I just want you guys to know, I'm feeling FOMO right now, but I am not entering the trade. Notice what I'm doing. I'm not entering the trade. So, anyway, long or short, Poyo, I would say I'm feeling long. I'm feeling long. Pulled a Fonzie joke. Did I just age myself? Crypto crab man. Hey. No, you did not age yourself. Yeah, I don't know. I want to come back. I want to go up and look for it, but 10K XRP, do the Fonzie. Just sit on it. Let's go for the Fonzie jokes. Let's go. Let's see. No, don't FOMO. I won't FOMO if you guys don't FOMO. No, don't FOMO, guys. Notice I am not FOMOing in. I feel the FOMO. I definitely feel it. I feel it just like you guys are, but I'm not entering. I should have entered here. And if I didn't enter there, guess what? I didn't FOMO here. I would have waited, and I could have got in here, and I would have been happy I didn't FOMO. So maybe we come back down, or maybe we don't. But it's important that you don't FOMO. And if you do, I FOMO'd into Link. I mean, hey, just understand it comes with a risk. But, hey, the bulls are on your side. There are some pretty bullish things happening right now. But anyway, going back to Ethereum, I mean, ETH is really making me feel the FOMO here. ETH is making me feel the FOMO. Coming up to some resistance here. Am I peaking on my audio, guys? I hope I'm not. I'm trying to talk a little quieter right now because I know the mic is different. I'm usually like screaming, guys, but I don't want to blow your eardrums out. I know I'm using a different mic, so bear with me here if I talk a little loud. Coming up to some resistance here. Maybe if you can get a little bounce here, come back down here, you might get a nice little entry opportunity there. Not financial advice. Let's see. Let's get this little move. Yeah, I mean, listen, if we come down and test here, yeah, if we come down and test here, I may look to enter. Not financial advice, people. But maybe if we come down a little lower, we'll have to see. We'll have to see what happens. But oh god, yeah, the FOMO's real on. Yeah, okay, so here you go. Coming up to resistance. This is really the moment of truth here. Are we gonna break out? I hope we retrace. I would love to get into a long here. Checking the 4 hour money flow, still has not crossed over. So this is kind of what's making me not FOMO, right? Not very often do we spend this much time over the zero line with the VWAP and then just launch up from there, right? So chances are, in my opinion, or in my experience, that, we are probably going to have the 4-hour VWAP come down at some point, even if it's just a little bit like that. And then while this is happening, would be a much better entry point. You don't want to be entering right now, in my own opinion. So, the fact that the VWAP is coming down on the 4-hour like this is kind of letting me know that we could see a little bit of downside before getting the real move to the upside, right? So maybe we're just priming up here. We pull back to this support line, or maybe even this support line, and then you get to cross over and get the big move up. But I would watch this level here. This is this level here is actually. Let's pull some resistance here. Give me 1 second. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe we come up, reject off this golden pocket, and then come back down. It's hard to say. It's hard to say right now, guys. Just be careful. Don't FOMO. I'd say your best chance is if you get that 4-hour money flow crossover, maybe that's what I would be waiting for. Now, I know it's happening on Bitcoin right now, which is making me kind of feel FOMO-y. But, yeah. So, but this might not confirm, right? This could not confirm. We have an hour left. Maybe this doesn't confirm. Maybe the VWAP comes back down and it brings you back into the red for a little bit, and then you finally get that crossover into the red. All right, let's see. I got my weekend shorts ready. Let's go. Yeah, maybe we get that dump on the weekend. Totally possible. 2-day bullish divergence could take time to play out, right? It's not impossible that we get a little dump ski before the 2-day bullish divergence plays out and we take off. But again, 25K between 25 and 27K would be the target for the breakout, based off of the head and shoulders on the 1 hour. 60-40 chance we dump. Flat Smack. Shout out to Flat Smack. Yeah, I mean, again, 4-hour VWAP, real close to that zero line. We could easily see, this money flow on the 15-minute come down as the 4-hour VWAP crosses over, get a nice little dump, and then finally you get you might get the green crossover on the 4-hour a little later, and then we might get, Bitcoin sometimes gives you that third chance, right? We did have, we had 2 chances to enter on this retest. 1, 2, even 3 chances. Maybe we'll get the 4th chance. But no one knows. Nobody knows. Say FOMO one more time. FOMO, 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 FOMO. Say it 100 more times, baby. Let's go. Let's see. Salmon, Frankie, check BTC stochastic. Okay. Yeah, there you go. Kind of similar to, you do have, again, very similar. You're peaking out on your momentum wave here. When you cross, on Market Cypher, when you cross this 60 line, this positive 60 line, you could kind of think of that as oversold, right? And you are about to get the cross on your stochastics, kind of topping out here, right? So probably going to get a move to the downside here, most likely. That's why people entering right here are going to get, be pretty pissed off. That's why you don't want to FOMO. Wait, who said that? Shout out to whoever that is. Ada is about to explode. Let's get it. Let's see. Crawler. Shout out to Crawler. Call him FOMO Crawler. Shout out to you, man. Thank you for being here. I appreciate you. Frankie, let's see. XRP with almost identical chart pumped. BTC charted on Saturday past 2 weeks. Oh, crashed on Saturday past 2 weeks. Yeah. Let's see. Oh, XRP with almost identical chart pumped hard. Ooh, interesting. Let's see. I am so FOMO right now, Frankie. FOMO. God, everybody's saying FOMO. Let's see. Yeah, I know. I feel it. Right now, but you don't want to do it. Because it's very, very likely that we're going to get a little, right? If we pull some... let's pull a fib here. This is a rough fib. I don't know how close we are. I can't get close to my screen without coming off the microphone, so bear with me if this is a little rough. Maybe you got to pull back to this golden pocket. Watch this golden pocket. This might be, if you're waiting for the retest of this trend line, you might not get it, but you might bounce off this golden pocket right here. So watch this golden pocket. This could be your next chance to get in before we move up, if we are going to move up. Big if, guys. It is a bear market. FOMO Sapiens got FOMO in his name. Look at that. Crypto Billy watching on my phone. Can't see SHIT. Lol. Not video, but my old eyes. Shout out to you, Crypto Billy, always tuning in no matter what. Even if you can't watch, you're in there listening. And I know you hit the like button. I appreciate you. Speaking of that, 723 people in here, guys. Going for 550 likes. I'll give you guys 10 spins on the wheel, and we'll probably wind up giving away like 20-something NFTs. So if you have not already, smash that like button. We're literally giving you free stuff for it, and it helps out the channel. Who doesn't want to help out Frankie Candles, right? You know, shout out to you guys, and it helps out the CandleMafia too because you guys get free stuff, right? How about this? How about this? How about 550 likes? You guys get 10 spins. 600 likes. I'll personally give away 50 XRP. Mods, do not double down. I will give away 50 XRP if we hit 600 likes. 550 likes, you guys get 10 spins on the wheel, so you get some more free NFTs. I can never see your numbers on your chart. Can never see my numbers. Which ones? Which numbers? Who said that? Who said it? Always lit. I like that name. Always lit. What do you mean you can never see my numbers? What numbers do you mean? Let me know. I'll try to make them easier for you to read. Let's see. Brad Milben says, if you need me, I'll be in the pool. Let me know when the Golden Pocket retests in Discord. Brad, I got you. I got you, Brad. I got you. Oh, 723. That's nice. I will triple down. Tony, go home. Go home. Let's see. I want free things, Frankie. Jack out the box. Let's go. We're going to give them to you. Let's smash that like button. What's the topic for today? Oh, what's the top for BTC today? That is going to be hard to say. We could be seeing the top right now. Tony, FOMO into the giveaway. They're trying to coax you in, Tony. Come on, Tony. Throw down XRP. Let's see. Will Bitcoin drop now? I would say yes, probably. In the short term, we might get a little pullback. Just based on, the stochastics we just saw were oversold. And, it would be likely. We do have the 4-hour VWAP looking like it's probably going to come down before it goes back up a lot. So I would expect somewhat of a pullback, but, money flow crossover, again, you don't want to enter on these big green candles, but watch out for that golden pocket. I am going to go here. I'm going to zoom in, and I'm going to do this. I'm going to go here. I'm going to get my box. I'm going to draw it right on the golden pocket so we don't have to get this ugly, fib just laying all over the place. We're going boom. We're going boom. We're double clicking. And we're going to go possible entry. How did I get here? What is going on? Boom. We're going to name this. Maybe I could share this. Possible long entry, not financial advice. Don't copy cat trade. There you go. Right there. This is the level. If we can get down here, I mean, this would be a pretty big retrace for this move. But I would hope we make a higher low. But if we don't, we'd have to see. I don't want people copycatting. But just watch that golden pocket. If we get a pull back to that golden pocket, could be a decent entry. But maybe we'll keep the box there. We'll just take the text off of it. Boom. Not a possible long entry here, guys, but just a box that if it comes down to that box, I'd be looking for a long. That's all I'm going to say. Crawler says, check out YFL on a rocket ship today. Crawler, I will do it. Okay, what are we? All right, we're at an hour and 3 minutes, guys. You know what? Today we're feeling a little bullish, guys. Go ahead and throw those alts in here. We'll take a look at the alts. I'm def copying that. Kaifman, get out of here. Kaifman, no, don't do it. Don't do it. Let's see. Just say no to copycatting. Captain Cuckoo for Crypto Puffs. I love that name, Captain. Absolutely awesome name. Solana on the 4-hour chart. Link, I see you. No, God, please. No. Okay. Let's see. Totally forgot what we were doing here. Oh, YFI. Yeah. Oh, I know, dude. I was looking at this earlier. My guy, this thing is ripping. Look at this. I was actually looking for the short. Oh, God, I should have done it. I was looking to short this golden pocket on YFI, guys, or Wi-Fi. This thing ripped like over 100% in the past like 6 days, I believe. Yeah, 102% in the last 6 days. Was looking for this golden pocket retest. Guys, I wish someone could follow me around during the day. I get yanked in 35 different directions. I have so much stuff to do, and like I'm always trying to get it. And then on top of that, I have all these trades that I'm trying to keep track of. But you know, I have found this golden pocket. I'm like, I am going to short this golden pocket. Boom. Would have been a nasty trade. Oh, nice 10%. Missed it. But yeah, I you know. What I should do is I should have one of our awesome mods, you know, on call, that when I see something and I can't get the trade, maybe they put it in the Discord. Like, hey, Frank's keeping an eye on this. He's probably going to miss the trade because he's busy, but hey, he wants to just spread the information. Maybe we could do that. You watching my Lux Algo posts in Discord? Lunar Beaches Crypto? No, I have not, but maybe I will start. How are you liking Lux Algo, man? Let me know. Let me know how you like Lux Algo. Oh, interesting. Okay, so, wow, it's almost half and half. A lot of you guys have not heard of Lux Algo. Very interesting. Well, stay tuned. We're about to give you guys the sauce. We all just chilling, Frank. Keep doing your thing, Jeremy. I appreciate you, brother. That's kind of what I'm looking for. And if it don't go lower. Yeah, absolutely. Crypto Anon says, do you think the whales are pumping to try to get liquidity out of the market? 100% possible. Very, very good point, Crypto Anon. Let's see. Yeah, very, very good point, Crypto Anon. I'm glad you said that. That's why I say you guys got to be careful in a bear market, because in a bear market, you want to have trust issues with the pumps, guys, because a lot of times the whales will pump it up for exit liquidity, right? So they're playing the game. They're playing the emotions. They're playing the emotions of the retail traders like an absolute fiddle, and the retail falls for it every single time. So thank you for that, Crypto Anon. Absolutely, definitely possible. That's why I'm saying be careful, guys. But we are definitely getting some bullish things on the charts. But yes, they could be pumping for liquidity. Let's see. Fearless Leader. I am Masnokas. You're funny, my man. You're funny. Fearless Leader. Did you see my message on Discord about altcoin Bada? I did not. I'm going to try to catch up on Discord this weekend. I'll be honest with you guys. I got to be honest with the Mafia. If there's anybody I'm really, really honest with, it's you guys. Maybe too honest, like just to be saying stuff on the internet. This isn't really private, but guys, I think I'm starting for the first time to feel the hustle that we've been putting into this channel since the start. I think I'm starting to feel a little over or a little burnt, right? I'm starting to feel a little burnt out, maybe a little overworked. So this weekend, I will not leave you guys stranded if something crazy happens. I will pop into the Discord, but I really, really do want to try to just step away for the weekend and just recharge, because I am starting to feel a little bit burnt out here. And I don't want that to happen, because I don't want to get like burnt out and then have to take some time off, right? So I think I'm just going to take the weekend. I've been in the Discord a lot in the weekends and stuff. I'm going to try not to really pay attention to the charts. Of course, because I want to do this weekend, I'm sure Bitcoin will go on a ripper or just completely dump, and I'll have no choice but to come back. And not because I have to, because I want to. It's going to be hard to resist. But just so you guys know, I might try to just take the weekend to just kind of not think about anything. So if you guys are reaching out to me on Discord, I might take some time maybe later tonight to answer some of the Discord messages. But as far as like, I think I'm going to try to take a little bit of a break this weekend and then come back full force on Monday. So shout out to you guys. Yo, so no to Ben, not to the. Yo, Frankie, so no to Ben, not to the Mafia. You're funny, Moki. You're funny. Frankie, don't burn out, my dude. I will come rub your feet. No FOMO. Oh, dude, you are funny. Oh, Wolf ate my coins. You guys are funny. You guys are the best, man. You guys are really the best. Take your time, Frankie. I appreciate you guys. I do try my best to be, keep you guys as updated as possible. But shout out to you guys. You guys are the best community in the world. That's why I work so hard for you guys. That's why I don't like leaving you hanging, because you guys always have my back. So for real, from the bottom of my heart, you guys are the best community that I could ever ask for. So thank you for that. Thank you for all the support. Not going on like a hiatus or anything, just the weekend. Because I used to kind of lay low on the weekends, but like recently I've really been like kind of stepping up on the weekends and like being more involved. So I'm just gonna take one off. I'm gonna take one weekend off, and then we're going back 7 days. I'll always be in touch. Just one weekend, I gotta take the weekend off. But as you guys know, I do say that all the time. So, and it never happens. So maybe I'll just see you guys on a live stream this weekend. I just like it too much. I love what I do too much. But with all that being said, guys, let's go ahead and see. Absolutely crazy move on Wi-Fi. Have a beer and kick back. Yeah, hopefully. Enzo Mining, I appreciate you, brother. Yeah, you guys are awesome. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you for the love in the chat, guys. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Wi-Fi, absolutely going nuts. 102% in the last 6 days. Missed that short from the golden pocket. We should maybe have like a channel in the Discord for like degen alt signals or something. But that was a fun one. Let's go ahead. People are saying Solana 4 hour. Let's check the Solana 4 hour. Oh, look at her go. Look at this little girl go. Bada bing. Go little rock star. Boom. 64%. Not too bad. Up against that point of control. Is that a point of control? It is not. Tricked me with that red line. Let me get rid of this little ugly arrow. But yeah. Let's see. Pull up market cipher B. 4 hour. VWAP looking at, I mean, same as Bitcoin. VWAP looking to probably cross over that zero line pretty soon here. Money flow, yeah, red dot on the 15-minute. Money flow probably starting to come out. Yeah, I would look for a pullback, guys. We got some good moves up. I would watch for some pullbacks. Let's see. I'll try to give you guys some levels here on Solana for anybody looking to trade. Boom. Boom. Yeah, I mean, I would watch these levels for possible pullbacks. This fib level from this low here to the high, watch out. Could pull back to maybe the 236. You got your golden pocket down here. I don't know if you'll pull back that much, but Crypto Crabman says, if you want to get off the grid, just go get one of those Solana phones. I went off on the Solana phones yesterday. I did not mean to hate on the Solana phones. I just kind of felt like, who cares? Yeah, also, Hit Network. Hey, what's going on? I think that's got to be TJ. TJ, they stole my microphone, TJ, but I think this one might work better. I think the sound is crisper. Shout out to TJ in chat. I think it's TJ. Or is that Hit Network and Hit Gaming. Bro, I owe you the world. I'm so sorry I stole your microphone. That's funny. I don't even think he heard me say that. How did he know? I'm so sorry I stole your microphone. Boys, love on this, man. It's all good. I don't know who that is in Hit Gaming. If it's Joel, it's okay, Joel. I love you. It's okay. And maybe we found out... Actually, ironically, I think I took your microphone. So you took mine, and then I took yours. We'll have to swap back after on Monday or something. It's okay, Joel. I love you. Guys, just on the whole it's TJ. Guys, TJ in chat. Show the... I guess we have a couple godfathers, right? My dad comes in chat. He's the godfather. TJ's like also kind of the godfather. And then we have the godfather, the actual godfather whose name is the godfather in chat. We have a bunch of godfathers. Guys, show some respect to the godfather in chat. We got the godfather, TJ. Shout out to TJ. I'm so sorry. It's okay, Joel. It's all right, man. I love you. I love you. And, hey, we're live, man. We're live. So we're good. We made it. We made it, baby. But yeah, so there you go. Here's some levels on Solana for a possible pullback. Again, I don't think you'll pull all the way back to this golden pocket, but it is there. I will try to share this chart in Discord as well as the BTC chart. How are the guys? Let me know in chat. Are the charts working? Are they still glitching out? It is super helpful for those who don't know. I just closed that. For those who don't know, I do try to share my charts with my levels in the Discord so you guys can watch them yourself. So you don't have to try to look at the stream and write down the numbers. I just share the TradingView chart with you so you can see the levels that I have. But for some reason, sometimes it defaults to a random chart. Which is really annoying. I think it's a problem on TradingView side. But there you go, some levels on Solana. But again, just back to Bitcoin for anybody who's just tuning in now. Obviously, we are getting a move to the upside, right? Based off of the 1 hour head and shoulders. Again, as you guys know, I did say this before, but anyone new, breakout could have entered there. Gave you a second chance to enter here. I missed my entry. But right now, based off of the 4 hour, the 1 hour VWAP, the 4 hour VWAP, and the 15-minute money flow, it is very likely that we are going to get a little retrace here. So if you guys are looking to get into trades, not financial advice, I would not FOMO in right now. We're probably going to get a little bit of a pullback here. And then we have this little level here at about 20,700 for a possible pullback. We do have a local golden pocket in that area. Sometimes you will see price pull back to these local golden pockets before getting a big move to the upside or a bigger move to the upside. Only thing is, watch out for the higher low. We are in an uptrend here, so could easily just come down for a higher low and continue higher. But with the 4-hour money flow, with the 4-hour VWAP kind of coming down, I do think we might get a decent pullback here. Don't forget, 2-day bullish divergence confirmed. So that is very, very bullish. But yeah, again, many bullish puzzle pieces here, guys. A lot of bullish puzzle pieces. But bear market activities, be careful, people. Be careful. All right, let's see. TJ's favorite crypto is XRP. Oh, TJ, if you're still watching this, they know how to take the low blows, don't they? XRP. Here's the thing. I like XRP, but I totally get why people don't like XRP, right? Like a lot of the reason that a lot of us are in crypto are for the whole decentralized aspect of it. And XRP is kind of like an oxymoron in that aspect. So I totally get why people hate XRP. I kind of hate it as like my crypto soul hates XRP, but I am also here to make money. So I think the risk to reward ratio on XRP is pretty good, but we will see. That's if the lawsuit ever ends, which I think it might just go on forever. But let's see. What do we got? Will it break out even with weekend coming up? Now, I don't typically trade on the weekends just because there's lower volume. You get some weird price action. We've got TJ's alter ego, JT, in chat. He says, hey, Frankie, can you check out Sandbox? Do you think it'll explode again? It's at the point where it exploded last time. Let's go ahead and take a look. Sandbox. Let's see. Okay. Zill, we can look at Zill. Anybody like comp? I feel like I'm the only one. I don't hate Compound. Crypto Soul, nice man. Let's see. Hey, Safa Ismail, what's going on? You shouldn't hate something making you money. Exactly. Mas mochas. I bet. I agree with you there. I don't know why I said I bet. What? Don't FOMO in. Oh, man. I thought you V-Slim said, what? You said don't FOMO in? Oh man, I thought you said go long with a heavy bag and tons of leverage. I'm wrecked. I'm gonna go hang out with A. Oh god, yeah. Where did AM go? I guess he skirted off. Did he really just join? Did that guy really just join the live and then watch me say this is not financial advice and then don't copycat trade. You shouldn't just trade based off of what I say. And then he entered a trade and then yelled at us for getting stuck in a long. What the? What a weird thing. That is hilarious. V-Slim, you're funny, though. I'm just going to read that one more time. What? What? Don't FOMO in? Oh, man. I thought you said to go long with a heavy bag and tons of leverage. I'm wrecked. I'm going to go hang out with AM. You're funny, bro. You're funny. I'm pinning that. Where is AM? We love him. I love you, man. I want to help you out. We're trying to help you out, man. I only cheat on my girlfriend. I only cheat on my girlfriend with sweet Solana. Yeah, that's right. Most likely he did. Yeah, that's crazy, man. I feel like I'm OD about telling you guys not to copycat trade and it's not a good idea. I feel like we are so gung ho about that on this channel, and I'm so obsessed with being straight up about that and overly vigilant about that, that I there's no chance that he could have not heard me say don't enter a trade based off of what I say. But those are the people. The people that just copycat trade you blindly are usually the ones that'll come at your neck if it doesn't go their way. So that's why I don't do signals. But if you guys are in the Discord, I think you guys can I think you guys can kind of figure out. I don't do signals, but someone in the Discord the other day said, "Hey guys," it said, I think they added me, and it said, 3 hours ago, Frankie said, "Watch this level. We're probably going there." Boom. 2 hours later, we are at that exact level. Who says Frankie doesn't give signals? I'll just leave that there. If you read between the lines, I basically tell you guys what I'm looking for price to do. So I don't give signals, but if you read between the lines in the Discord, they're basically there. Not financial advice. But I seriously don't even if I did give signals, that's why I won't give signals. Because you really should. That's why I just give you guys what I'm looking for, because you should be taking that information and then going to confirm it yourself. Because who knows? I make mistakes. Maybe I see a bullish divergence and it's really not a valid one, right? Or it's rushing or something. You should always double check, even if the person you're talking to totally knows what they're doing, right? So even if I gave signals, I would still be like, hey, here's a signal, entering along here, take profit, stop loss, not financial advice, don't enter this trade. I would say it every time, because you really should do your own research. But if you can read between the lines in the Discord, we've made some pretty good calls. Shout out to whoever said that. He was joking, surely. I hope so. I mean, it had to have been a joke, I would think. I mean, almost impossible for it not to be a joke. But whatever, free will, baby. Yeah, and if you want to copycat, if I copycat traded somebody and I lost, I'd be like, well, I decided to do it, right? It's people just, people don't want to take responsibility. It's okay. But anyway, here we go. Sand, oh, baby. Bullish divergence on the 2-day as well, confirmed. Listen. I mean, you're not going to get this. I mean, if I forget who asked me to look at this, you're not going to get this. I would doubt that you get this. Not a chance. We're in a bear market now. But, however, you're right. We are at the same level here, just about. You do have a 2-day bullish divergence. Chances of coming up would be, somewhat decent. If this 2-day bullish divergence plays out, this looks bullish. This 2-day looks bullish. Checking the 4-hour. Money flow crossover has been, you've been in the green here. Yeah, you're probably about to print a green dot on the momentum wave on the 4-hour. This is looking pretty bullish as well, I would say. I totally thought that was a fib retracement. Yeah, I mean, this 4-hour is looking like it's curving right back up. Probably going to print a green dot here. I mean, I'll say this, sand looks decent for the short term. Now, again, take these with a grain of salt, guys. Understand we're in a bear market. I'm saying this all assuming you guys understand we're in a bear market and nothing is going to, go to all-time highs, right? This is, short-term stuff. Be careful. We're going into the weekend. Low volume. It's a little bit sketch. Like I said, I typically don't trade on the weekends because of the lower volume. Price action gets a little funky. A lot of times we get random dumps. So be careful trading on the weekends. Respect that. Keep on giving, Rob. I missed that one. Good. Wait. Pole Boy Otto says pullback is playing out. Good call. Let's check it out. Look at that. 21.29. 15-minute. Yeah. Well, where's our? We drew lines on one of them. We drew. Was it on this one? What the heck? No, we drew a down line. No, didn't we? I kind of left it there. Yeah. So this is what we're talking about, guys. Right? Red dot on the 15-minute. Probably gonna get a pullback here. Did we clip it? We got. It would be so funny if we could clip things from 40 minutes ago and play them live on the stream. So it's I'm showing clips of calls that I made at the beginning of the stream that played out by the end of the stream. But yeah, that was a good call. Yeah, going to see a pullback here, right? I mean, the writing is on the wall. I don't know if I'm using that phrase right, guys. I'm real bad at catchphrases. I don't even think that's a catch. I don't think it's considered. I think it's just a phrase or a saying. The writing is on the wall. I think it's how I use it. I mean, 4-hour VWAP again, right? 4-hour VWAP. Chances of us being above the zero line for this long and then just launching from here, it doesn't usually happen. So I do think we could get the 4-hour VWAP to cross back down. We still have 49 minutes for this to cross back down. You're going to lose the green money flow crossover, and you might get the pullback, right? And then again, 1-hour VWAP coming down, indicative of a pullback, right? You're also getting a little bit of a bearish divergence on the 1-hour, right? Let's take a look. Boom, right here. Higher highs, right? Come down to your momentum waves. Not the most exaggerated bearish divergence, but there you go. Down, lower highs on your momentum waves, higher highs on your price. So there you go. Very likely that we see a pullback. If we get a pullback here and it bounces off, maybe clip this, somebody. If we get a pullback here to this golden pocket and we get a move to the upside, somebody send me some candy because I did a good job. I was a good boy. I did a good job. You can send me some candy. I like glazed donuts, too. Those are one of my favorites. Rainbow cookies, Italian rainbow cookies. Those are my actual favorites. Send me some cannolis, some bagels. I don't know. If you live in New York, maybe ship me some bagels. Jimmy Two Shoes, where you at? Just saying. If that happens, if it doesn't happen, maybe send me coal. But yeah. Think this has been that pump to make everyone think we're back on FOMO long like people want to, and then the CME gap gets filled. And the dealers are short right now, so most likely we get filled. Yeah, so that was something I brought up on the morning stream today, was that CME gap, I believe around 18K. Lane, do you have on hand that actual, where that, a better range of where that CME gap is? I do believe it's in the 18,000s, so definitely possible for us to go fill that CME gap. I can cash out, but okay. Let's see. Man, AVAX, for the love of candies, AVAX. Let's take a look at it. Also, guys, back to the burnout thing. I don't want anyone to get nervous. I'm not I'm fine. I haven't been. I used to take the weekends off, and I haven't been. And I want to continue to not have to take the weekends off because I like being in constant contact with you guys and not leaving you hanging. And I want to keep it going, so I just have to take this one off. That's all. So don't worry. And I don't want it to affect my TA. I've been really busy this week. It was a long week for me. I'm very tired. And I feel like it is kind of affecting my TA a little bit. I haven't been able to stare at the charts. And I don't want to give you guys bad TA, so I'm just going to recharge, so just don't freak out. Let's see. Alts are pumping because new people entering and old people can't cash out from Voyager or Celsius. Down to 20,760. Ooh. Yes. Blanchards. Why did you say that? Because where is our? Yeah. 760. That's real close to our golden pocket. Blanchards. That's real close to our golden pocket pullback. Yeah, I mean, I would say, somewhere around 20,700. The Gabagool gang. Oh my God, dude. Dude, the Gabagool gang. I love that. NYC Pitbull. You're funny, dude. Somebody send Frankie some. Oh gosh. I see you, V-Slim. I see you. I just don't know if YouTube likes it, so I'm not going to read it out loud. Pay attention, folks. Flare projects. You about to miss out. I drink sugar-free Red Bull. I actually prefer sugar-free Red Bull, but beggars can't be choosers. 20,500 to 18,900, Frankie. There we go, Lane. What would we do without you, Lane Hughes? We love you, man. We love you on the channel. 20,500 to 18,900. 18,900 is the CME gaps. So watch out. Could be moved down there. And hey, 20,500 is pretty close to another retest of this trend line / golden pocket. It's pretty close to that range. So very interesting. PWR. I just for real said PWR. PYR. Yeah, let's take a look. Vulcan Forge. Haven't looked at Vulcan in a while. Probably going to look very similar to Bitcoin, right? 4-hour VWAP probably coming down. Yep. Well, going back up, but most likely going to flop over. Yeah, looking same. Money flow crossover into the green, looking similar to Bitcoin, right? Looking similar to Bitcoin. Yeah. Let's see. Let's move down to the 2-hour. No bearish divergence. Where did we just? Yeah, where was that bearish divergence? Yeah, there you go. Could be printing a possible bearish divergence here on Vulcan Forge. Boom, right? Higher highs, lower lows, right? I'm just going to draw this one like that. Lower lows, boom. Might be puking blood here. Out of that alligator mouth for PYR. Make sure we find a little local golden pocket for this one. Boom. Yep. Could get a pullback maybe to this golden pocket here at about $3.29. Pump those likes for 10x CandleMafia. Let's go. 500. We need 50 more likes for 10 spins on the wheel. And if we get 600, I'll give away 50 XRP. Shout out. I don't want to sound like I'm trying to get brownie points here, guys. But I am giving this out of my own personal pockets. I'm not like funded for these giveaways. So these are coming out of my personal, like, this is my lunch money that I'm giving away to you guys. Just so you know, not trying to get brownie points, but I just want to let you guys, I love you guys. I'm giving you guys away my own personal money. This is not, it's funny too, because we probably could work something out like that, but I don't really care. I just want to see this thing grow, and I appreciate the community so much that I really don't mind giving you guys away. I'm not giving away something I can't afford, but I will give away 50 XRP on my own, and the mods too, guys. Like, forget me. I mean, it's my YouTube channel, so you would expect that. How about our selfless mods that just, hey, I want to donate 50 XRP, 50 ADA to give away. I want to donate NFTs. Even some of the community members. Crypto Billy, I think, right? Correct me if I'm wrong in chat. Maybe give a little list of our, people who help us out. Just, hey, I got some extra NFTs I'm willing to give you guys if you want to give them away to the community. Like, just the coolest people in the world all somehow found themselves in this chat. And we've all come together, and it's like the coolest thing that's ever happened in my entire life. So, could not be happier, guys, with what we got going on here. It's absolutely insane. Shout out to Crypto. Shout out to Crypto Anon. I appreciate you, brother. He says, Frankie Candles is the man. I love you, brother. Love our mods. Absolutely. You guys are really crazy. Yeah. Call in October low. Sorry, Bitcoin, I mean. Oh, no. I can send you some ADA NFTs to give away. See, you guys are crazy. You guys are crazy. Let me give the NFTs to you. But, yeah. All right, let's go. Boom. Next, let's take a look at good old Polkadot. Polkadot coming up to some resistance. Actually looking like it's breaking out of this resistance. Let me just go right to the body of that candle. Oh, baby. This thing might be flipping this resistance to support. Look at that. Bada boom. Bada bing. Boom. All right, nice. Yeah, that's let's go to the 4-hour. Check the 4-hour. VWAP coming down, looking to cross over that zero line. Similar to Bitcoin, right? I'm thinking we probably will pull back a little bit. If we're going to see the move continue, I think we will pull back first. Small pullback. You told to find our people. Crypto Anon says, you told us to find our people, and here we are. If you guys, anybody new to the channel, if you guys don't know, when we were kind of, a while ago, when we, in the earlier days, or there was one stream where I just like went on to a life rant where I was just trying to, give the candle. I mean, I'm 30 years old. I'm not super old dude, but I've been around for a little bit. I was just trying to spit some life advice to, the chat. And I was saying, go find your people, right? Your people might not always be in your hometown, right? It doesn't mean that you don't love the people in your hometown, but, I was saying, just because you grew up at that town doesn't mean that that's where your people are. That's not where it doesn't mean that's where you're supposed to be, right? Go find your people. I grew up in New York, right? Long Island. And I love everybody out there. I miss my friends out there. I miss my family out there. I miss my dogs mostly. No, I'm kidding. I love my family. But you miss everything out there. But I found the Bit Squad. I reached out and I came down here and I found a family that I was missing my entire life. And if I didn't jump and leave my hometown, my comfort zone, I would have never found my people. I found my people. Right? So I was just telling everybody to go find their people. And Crypto Anon saying, hey, Frankie, you told us to find our people. Here we are. Coolest thing in the world. You need to set up your tip jar. Super Chat's coming soon, guys. Super Chat's coming soon. Let's see. I can give away my NFTs, but all I got are Solana rug pulls. Let's go. Let's go. Couldn't leave my cat. Yeah, I know, guys. It crushes me. Yeah, I got some pups in New York that I think about every single day. So yeah. Let's see. Frankie, no lie, you have the best mods in history of YouTube. I know that for a fact. V-Slim saying it's 4:20 p.m., by the way, for anyone who wants to know. Public announcement, it is 4:20 p.m., but it is not. It's actually 7:20 p.m., V-Slim. I'm just kidding. We're in New York. I just said we're in New York. We're on the East Coast. You must be somewhere else. Let's see. Shout out to you. You're right to take some days off, boss. No TA is better than bad TA. Relax. Go out for the day. Go out for a day to another city, have a nice dinner, and a nice hotel sleepover with Mrs. Candles. Shout out to Rob. I appreciate you, man. I do appreciate you, brother. You're the man. Get info from Frankie. Make your own decision. Never blame anyone. Hey, Tates. I don't know how to say your name. Louder for the people in the back. I'm pinning your comment. V-Slim, your comment is definitely a GOAT comment. But we're updating. We're updating. Can we pin more than one comment? I don't think we can. I think it takes one away. Yeah. All right. Beautiful. All right, guys. Let's go ahead and let's take a look at good old Polkadot here now. Let's pull up the VPVR. Actually, you know what we can do? Let me minimize this. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, I mean, listen. If you break this, come on. Get that out of here. If we can break this resistance, right? If we crack this, could be coming up. This might be the next spot. This might be the next spot right here. You might come up, test here, and then range around in here before breaking higher. Let's put it in. Let's put it in some ink. Boom, boom. Then maybe you range around a little bit before coming up. That is ugly. We're not keeping that. Come up, flip it, bounce, boom. Maybe you move around like that. But yeah. That is, there's a level 865. If we crack this resistance level at 821, could be headed up to 865. And then let's pull a fib too. Boom. Boom. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, see, look at that. You do have a fib level here. You have the 0.5 level, which is actually technically not a Fibonacci level, just so you guys know. If you haven't watched my level on the Fibonacci tool, go ahead and check that out. I teach you guys all about it. But you are, there is a 0.5 level there, and then you do have the golden pocket up here. So some levels to watch. Golden pocket is coming in at about $9.11 to $9.26, and then this other level here is about $8.65. So there's some levels above you that you could keep an eye on if Polkadot decides to break out. Let's see. Maybe V-shaped recovery for the win. Let's go. I was definitely kidding about looking at all those coins I listed. You're a good guy. That's why you got a good mafia. Hey, Cal's World, I appreciate you. I appreciate those kind words. It means more than you guys probably think, to be honest. Let's see. My favorite, Polkadot. Let's go. Can you guys hear that beeping? I think we got a dehumidifier beeping over there. Let's see. That's my coin. Let's go. We could go down to 18.4. Yes. Up for a meme coin, Frankie Candles. Coin on ADA. I'll back the creation. Meme coin. We could call Mafia. No, what can we do? We can do Godfather token or Capo coin. We could do Capo coin. How about that? Frankie Candles, check out the trading section on Discord, posted about Lux Algo daily. All right. Actually, Lane, I keep trying to open Discord, and it won't open. I think you guys can see my screen. It will not open. Yeah, what the heck? Yeah, very interesting. I don't know why that won't happen. That won't work. Interesting. All right, let's, yep, okay, Bitcoin. Yeah, see, Bitcoin does not know what to do. Bitcoin really does not know what to do. It's just been so indecisive. But yeah, there you go. We're continuing down here. I do think we'll probably see a little bit of a pullback here, if I'm being honest. Let's see, Candle coin. How did I not think of that? Candle coin, who said that? One cool GI. You get 1 million candle coins automatically for coming up with the name. Mafia money, Captain. Mafia money's good. Wax coin. Try it on the browser. Yeah, we can hear it. Oh yeah, I don't know. Frankie got rug pulled by Discord. I would have to log in on the browser and everything. Yeah, I don't know what's going on here. Yeah, we don't even have. Yeah, I get kind of freaked out moving windows around a laptop. I'm afraid I'm gonna expose all my passwords, even though I don't have my passwords written down. I don't know what I would expose. I just get really nervous. I'm gonna expose something that I shouldn't. But yeah, Lane, I will take a look at it. Sauce coin, let's go. Let's see. My pullback game isn't strong. Oh God, Neil, I see you. I see you, Neil. All right, back in. So if we hit this level, we should. What should we expect if it drops lower? What other ranges can BTC bounce back from? Let's take a look. Let's dive into that, actually, because I think it's important. I'll give you guys levels to the upside and the downside. At this point, look at that, guys. And also, almost a perfect rejection from the spider line, guys. If you guys have not looked at our spider line video and drawn spider lines, watch the tutorial one time, and then you'll be able to draw them super quick anytime you need to. They are super strong support and resistance. I love the spider line. Shout out to CryptoFace. Absolutely insane. Perfect rejection off that spider line. I love it. As far as targets, places we can go. Here we go. I will put it out. I will put it in there right now. Okay, here we go. Again, just to kind of recap here, guys, inverse head and shoulders has a measured target to about 25,178 in this box here, this range. We have a confluence between this level here. I believe, this is, I did this, I think I pulled this from, here's a golden pocket somewhere. Where did I pull it? Pulled it from somewhere. I think it's maybe from here or right here, I guess. Yeah. So, yeah, you do have a golden pocket in this area. You have a golden pocket, you have a spider line, and it's the target for this measured move, right? Now, again, depending on how you draw the head and shoulders or measure it, you can get a target closer to about 27K, right? So if we break out and get a nice pump, could work our way up to 25,178. If we are able to break through this spider line, could move our way up to about 27,355, right? Now, let's talk about a breakdown because you want to be ready for a move in either direction. And then in a second, I'm going to pull up the DBSI, and we're going to take a look at that and see if it can help us kind of guide us in what direction this market will go. The value area low, very, very strong level right here. So we could easily, if we do pull back, I think, maybe we come down like this, bounce around here for a little bit, and then break down. Value area low, I would expect to hold. This level here at about 20,417, I do think we have a good chance of holding. You also do have your spider line right underneath that. This green dotted line will hold pretty good as support, or in most cases. But if you break that value area low, you got the spider line there. And then if you break this spider line, you could have a pretty quick movement to the bottom of that box, which is at about 18,950, getting close to where that CME gap is. So, if we come down here, value area low, 20,417 should be a strong level. Underneath that, you have a little safety net, right? Spider line right underneath, going to be a little bit of a safety net. If you break the spider line, could pick up the pace pretty quickly. Let's see. Let's pull up our VPVR, right? And the reason I'm saying that is because you can see, right, value area low right here. Also have some confluence, a high volume node right here. So this area, this box right here should be pretty strong support. If we come down, right, and we break these levels and we break through the spider line, I want to follow my cursor, guys, all the way to the left. Look at the gap in volume here, right? We talk about this all the time on the channel. It could get moving pretty quickly if we break this level and we come into that low volume area. We could get a quick move down, right? Quick move down closer to the bottom of this box. So there's some levels you guys can watch. If we break the bottom of the box, could be moving to the next spider line, which is currently coming in at about $18,050. So there's some levels to watch to the downside and the upside, guys. I do have this chart shared in the Discord, in the Frankie Candles TA section, the Frankie BTC TA section. And so go check that out. Hopefully it works. If you guys click it, somebody let me know if it works in chat. And then you guys will be able to kind of see these levels. You'll be able to, scroll around and look at these levels so you don't have to try to, type in the numbers and get the exact levels. The spider lines will be there. Everything will be there except for Market Cipher. That'll be the only thing that doesn't pop up. It really feels like ADA is getting ready to blow up. Let's take a look at ADA. We didn't check ADA yet today. All right, let's take a look. Bada boom, bada boom, bada boom. Also, guys, I can't believe I didn't say this when Hit Gaming and TJ were in the chat. Go follow Hit Network. We got a lot of behind the scenes stuff with Ben and just the studio here in general. If you guys are interested in that, you guys could actually you can see a lot of content on Hit Network showing the building of when we were starting to build this studio, and then you could watch the progress of the studio being built. So very, very cool stuff. If I were you guys, that would be my favorite channel because you could see behind the scenes of everything. You could even go back to the older videos when we were in the older studio, and you could see you guys can go do. Oh God, this is cool. This is funny, guys. Go. I'm gonna link a video. I'm going to link a video in the Discord. And on the Hit Network, you can see my first day working at BitBoy Crypto. You can actually see when I came to visit. Before I came and moved here, I flew down and did a 3-day interview. You could actually see the first day that I actually walked into BitBoy Crypto, the BitBoy Crypto offices. Pretty funny. It's actually maybe we shouldn't watch it yet. We should wait until we hit like 100,000 subs, and then we'll screen it live on stream, and we can watch that episode. And it's pretty funny. Oh God, it would be pretty cool. Okay. Don't watch the video. We're gonna do it live on stream. Maybe we'll do it today. Let me know. Do you guys want to do that? Should we play it live on stream? It should be like a 10-minute video we'll do at the very end of the stream, and then whoever wants to stick around and watch it can. It'd be pretty funny, I think. Let me know. I'm gonna put a poll. I'm getting rid of this poll. Let's put a poll. Do you guys want to watch it? I think it'd be funny. Like I said, I am feeling pretty tired today. It would be kind of cool, like a fun Friday thing. It's like when you go to school and like your teacher does like something cool on Fridays, like you watch a movie or something. That's what it feels like. All right, let's see. Want to watch? So Hit Network, we used to do the Daily Hit, which was a daily vlog of the BitBoy Crypto studio, basically, the whole business here. Every day, we would make a little 10, 15-minute video. It was a vlog, basically a vlog of the days. They're hilarious. They're amazing. I love them. It's like some of the best content I think we've ever put out. Really funny stuff. You get to know everyone who works here. You know BJ, the guy who helps me with the studio down here, our technical director. He's a character. It's really cool stuff. It's like kind of like a reality show of BitBoy Crypto. So if anyone's like really interested, a big fan of the channel, you guys could probably find some good entertainment in these videos. And they vlogged when I came to interview for the job. So you guys can see like young Frankie all nervous and like, yeah, it'd be pretty funny. Also embarrassing for me, but I have some stuff I'm going to put on the wheel tonight. Want to watch Frankie's first day on the job? Boom. There you go. I know the grammar there is bad. There's no capitals, but I wanted to get that out quickly. But let's take a look at ADA real quick before we start wrapping up here, guys. And if you guys don't want to watch it, please be honest, because I won't sit through here and watch it. But let's see. Okay, Frankie Candle's first day at BitBoy Crypto back when he was just a wick. Back when he was just a young wick. He was just a young doji candle. What does the 15-minute ETH chart look like to you right now? V-Slim, I will check it in just a second. Cardano on the daily. Let's check the 2-day. 2-day bullish divergence, confirmed, not confirmed, but printing, right? I don't think that's confirmed. But is it a bullish divergence is the question. It is. Is it? Let's zoom in here. Let's see. Yes, bullish divergence confirmed on the 2-day. That is a good sign for our money flow crossed over into the green, but VWAP coming towards that zero line, right? So again, indicating that we're probably going to maybe break down here a little bit, and that would be supported by, basically you're essentially trading in a channel here, right? I mean, yeah. I mean, you could even call it this, right? Fake out. But you're basically in a channel here, so maybe you work to the bottom of this box before coming back up. But, it does look like we'll probably cool off here a little bit. But things are looking pretty decent for the most part, just in general. But we'll have to we'll have to see. Well, bear market stuff, guys. You got to be careful. Hidden bullish divergence on 8 weekly. Let's see. Oh, my God. Discord. Are you guys hearing these Discord notifications? I'm sorry. If I could open it, I would try to like leave the group or something, but yeah. Yeah, I see. Let's, who just said ETH 15 minute? I want to move along here. We are running out of time. ETH 15 minute, I'm going to check this, and then we're going to move on to the wheel. I'm going to add some stuff onto the wheel tonight, even though I already forgot what I wanted to put on there. Oh, yeah, I have some funny pictures. I have some funny pictures that I can show you guys. Yeah, I'm going to put it on the wheel. It's an embarrassing picture. It's a funny picture. But yeah, ETH 15 minute is looking like, to me, bearish divergences is what it looks like to me. You are, oh, wow. Yeah, we did just print another green dot, though, so invalidated. But you were printing higher highs on your price, lower lows on your momentum waves, but you are printing a green dot. If this green dot does not confirm, this bearish divergence will be in play and will probably push you down here. So there you go. You want to watch for that green dot. That green dot disappears. This bearish divergence, right? Let me draw it out for you. Lower lows, higher lows. I'm just making words up at this point. Lower highs, higher highs, right? Bearish divergence, and you're coming down, right? But you have to unprint this green dot. If this confirms, it would technically invalidate this bearish divergence. So, guys, 550 likes has been reached, meaning that you guys are going to get 10 extra spins on the wheel. And you're going to get to bear with me for a second because I am going to customize the wheel today. Here we go. Going to add something here. Funny picture. Here we go. We're adding that, and we're going to add, we'll add, oh, wow. Okay, so you guys overwhelmingly want to see that video. Okay, we'll watch it. I won't even put it, I was going to put it on the wheel, but the fact that you guys all want to see it, then we'll just do it, and it's going to be hilarious. Okay, here we go. We have, oh, baby. If you guys hit 600 likes by the time we're done spinning, before we're done spinning, I'll do the 50 XRP. Okay, so here we go. Spin number 1. We have 15 spins right now. All right, let's see. Yes, we are. Keep thinking it's my Discord. Way confused. That happens to me too. Funny hat. Spin number 2. Funny hat, guys. I will get the funny hats, I swear. I don't even mind wearing a funny hat every day, but I'm really spinning this wheel to get you guys the giveaways because we're redoing the wheel completely with the super chats. So this is really just for giveaways right now, but I will put the hats on. I really don't mind. I think it's funny. Low-key kind of like the fedora. Maybe I'll wear a fedora one day. Funny picture. All right, fine. We're going to do it. I'm going to do it right now before we actually, I don't even know. Oh, here we go. Okay, it's literally already on the funny picture. So, actually, but I think there's a funnier one. Oh my God, there's a couple funny. We could keep this on the wheel for a couple of days. Okay, guys. So here, a little background to this story. Screen, no screen. I'm sorry. Thank you, Tyler. Just so you guys know, I'm not scamming you. Funny hat, funny picture. This website keeps receipts. Thank you. But best mods in the game. You guys are literally the quickest mods in the game. Good day. Hey, Ryan, what's going on, brother? What's going on? Thank you for being here. Okay, so funny story about this picture is this was during March of 2020. You guys know what was happening there. And this was when there was no haircut. No barbers were open. You couldn't get your hair cut. And my hair overgrew. It overgrew just a little bit, and it's not quite the Pauly D blowout that I showed you guys last time. This is from 2020, guys. So this is Mrs. Candles is in the studio, shaking her head and rolling her eyes. This is funny. So just know that there were no barbers open for a very long time. I could not get a haircut, and my hair is very thick. Like, my hair is very thick, and it's like toothbrush bristles, so it's very moldable, and it stays wherever you put it. So I just had a little fun with my hair this day, and I was just at my desk kind of messing with my hair, and it looked really funny, so I took a picture, and never thought that I'd have 20,000 people watching me. Well, not watching me, but I never thought I'd have 20,000 people subscribe to me on YouTube so I can show them a funny, embarrassing picture, but here we are. I'm just going to show it to you guys right now. It's pretty hilarious. I don't know why I'm doing this. Oh, I should have full screen it. You're right. That's okay. They got it. I'm sure they screenshotted it. I should have gone full screen there, guys. Sorry, but there you go. Pretty hilarious picture of me. Very, very embarrassing. But hey, I don't care about embarrassing myself in front of the Mafia. You guys are absolute family. Let's continue with these spins. Spin number 3. Let's go. Shout out to, we got 470 people, 600. All right, you guys are getting 50 XRP. Cardano or XRP? Let me know. Cardano or XRP? Oh my God, you guys are going nuts. What is this? The Jersey Shore? You're funny, Simon. Let's go. I want the XRP or the NFT. Hell, a hat for that hair. Oh, that's actually amazing. Guys, I have another picture. We'll keep that on the wheel. I have another picture from the same exact time, but a different hairdo. So XRP, ADA. Okay. So there you go. You guys get the 50 XRP or ADA. I think XRP might be the what we're going to go with. Come on, ADA. I'll do a poll. We'll do another poll. XRP or ADA. Come on. Okay, here we go. XRP, ADA. Let me know. XRP. Let me know what you guys want. Bada boom. And then we'll just give that away. It's going to be 50 of either one. Oh, ADA coming through, though. I say XRP. I say ADA. 50 XRP for a haircut. Okay, spin. Oh, night off. Okay, spin number 4. Let's go. We got to run through these. Run out of time here. Bada boom. Oh. Wow, funny picture was small. Funny picture was hella small. How do we land on that? Interesting. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, spin number 5, night off. Let's go. Spin number 5. We got 15 spins. 15 spins. Here we go. Come on. Giveaway. Come on. Rug pulled on that one. Sorry, guys. Bada boom. Spin number 6. Let's get it. Big money, big money. Guys, today's energy is brought to you by not this stuff. Look at that. Not even opened. I didn't even use it. Giveaway. Let's go, baby. Add it to the list. Spin number 7. Let's go. I didn't even drink this Red Bull, guys. I'm not going to drink it. No Red Bull for me today. I think that was bad timing. Another giveaway. Let's get it, baby. Yeah, that cough sounded awfully like a can opening, but it wasn't, guys. It wasn't. Let's go. Spin number whatever. Here we go. Come on, baby. Give it to him again. Give it to him again. Let's go. Let's go. You guys rigged this, didn't you? You rigged it. You guys rigged it. Fine. You guys win. Whatever. Take my money. I'm sure we will. I don't know how many people are going to stick around for this video, but it'll probably be pretty funny. You guys will probably enjoy it. I think the OGs will probably enjoy it if you guys want to stick around. But I'll play it. You guys voted for it, so we'll do it. Giveaway, baby. Let's go. Spin number 11. 4 more. Let's go. 457 people in here. Can we get to 650 likes? I mean, let's just go for it. 650 likes. Look at these giveaways are just coming in one after another, guys. This is like a slot machine. Bing, 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 bing. Jackpot. Let's go. Give it to him again. Oh, baby. The wheel is hot right now, guys. The wheel's hot. The wheel pays out right now. Wheel's paying out. 3 in a row. Yeah, absolutely savage. 3 in a row. Let's get it. Spin number 4. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Oh, yeah. She's paying out tonight. Let's go. Let's go. Last spin, guys. Give him one more. Give him one more. Give him one more. Come on. Come on. Oh, so close. So close. So close. All right. Let's go ahead and pull this giveaway. All right. Here we go. All right. All right. Gonna have to go to YouTube. Bada boom. And we're pulling it from the Shiba Inu video, guys. Yeah, we didn't have a pre-record this week just because I was busy with the BitBoy crypto content, so we couldn't do the pre-records. So we did it on the same video as last time. It's almost got 600 comments. All right, let's see. Get shareable link, and then we go to our comment picker. Let's go. Bada boom. Here we go. Boom. Here we go. Here we go. How many we got? Mods, before we go into this absolute craziness, let's have Hang on. Yeah, let me know in chat how many we're giving away, and I will keep accurate count so we don't get lost. All right. Oh, we got to solve this math problem. Come on. Why'd they do that? Like, I'm not a robot. Leave me alone. 232. Here we go. I just need confirmation from the mods. I'm not going to start. Winners, send us a DM on Discord. Thank you, Tyler. 24. Okay, there we go. Confluence, guys. See, I tell you, confirmations and confluence is what you're looking for. We got Tyler Durden and Crypto Anon, 24 NFTs. That is confluence if I've ever seen it. Actually, we're gonna have Mrs. Candles keep count, so because she's gonna do a way better job than I am. That's the thing. Key to success, guys. I'm not, pretending I'm out here driving Lamborghinis or anything yet, but key to success. Have a girlfriend or wife or significant other that is smarter than you. It's the best thing I ever did in my life. Okay, here we go. Winner number 1. This is for the NFTs. The last winner we pick will be for the XRP. NFT winner number 1. Let's go. Cybersplash says, thank you for sharing the Coin Perspective website. I was looking for something like that for a very, very long time. My spreadsheets just couldn't cut it anymore. Well, Cybersplash, I'm happy I was able to help you out with that. Very cool website. Oh, wait. Oh, no. Did I pull it from the wrong video? Oh, no. This is the right video. Wow. Yeah, long week, guys. Long week. No way. Dude. Tell Tony he's a genius. Hey, Tony, you're a genius. Boom. Okay, you still win. What was it? Cybersplash? You still win. Don't worry. You didn't lose. You didn't lose your thing. Thank you for that, Tony. I didn't even see that box there. Winner number 2. Let's get it. Come on, baby. Yoda, what is going on? Yoda, are you in chat today? I don't know if you are. You are in here sometimes. Always sharing the love. Yoda, we love you. Shout out. Show some respect to Yoda. We love you, man. Winner number 3. Let's get it. Let's get it. Come on. Come on. Paper Route Frank. Paper Route Frank, you in here? I love your name, man. Best TA expert in all of the interwebs with a goat emoji. I appreciate you, Paper Route Frank. Hey, can't hate on the name, right? Love you, brother. Thank you. Thank you for the nice comment. Which video is this? This is the why Shiba Inu will never hit $1 or a cent. Captain, that was for you. Captain Cuckoo for Crypto Puffs. I absolutely love it. Attract All says thanks. Scammer, I don't know. But we'll roll with it. And then if someone can mark down if you guys think any of these people are scammers, just mark them down and we'll fix them at the end. But I think that could be real. Thanks, no problem. Just a really generic those generic comments. Yeah, buddy. Bud Lightyear, what is going on? Shout out to you, man. I don't know if you're in chat, but you want an NFT, so hopefully you see this and you DM one of our mods in Discord. Pick another. Let's go. Here we go. Come on, baby. Nate Dog, what's going on? I don't know if you're in here, brother, but congratulations. You won an NFT. Says, this tool is awesome. Thanks for all you do. CandleMafia for life. Much deserved NFT, Nate. Congratulations. I appreciate you for watching the channel and supporting us. I don't know which. Mark Jones. Bing bong. As always, everything about videos, Discord, CandleMafia, and mods are top class. Mark Jones, we appreciate you. Thank you for being such a cool guy. V-Slim says he's good at math. I bet you are, V-Slim. I bet you are. Mark Jones, shout out to you, man. You want an NFT. Reach out to the mods on Discord so we can get that to you, brother. We will not ask you for your Bitcoin or ETH or anything either. We just ask you for a wallet address. Nathan Cutler, good stuff. Shout out to Nathan Cutler. Looks like he's a pitcher. Shout out to you, man. Play ball. Shout out to you, man. Congratulations. Reach out to our mods on Discord. I don't think Mrs. Candle says rolled her eyes more in her life. The Sergesto podcast. What is going on? This was super informative. Thanks for the heads up on the website. I'll be using it. Ride the dip. Let's go. The Sergesto podcast. Shout out to you, man. You won an NFT. Love you, brother. Let's go. Let's go. Who do we got? Javid the barber. Javid, are you in here? You're in here like almost all the time. Hopefully you're in here, man. You won. Congratulations. Glad Paper Route Frank won. He is working on emojis and stickers for the Discord and is also boosting the server. Paper Route Frank, I love you. See, Franks stick together, apparently. Shout out to you, man. You're the best. I actually did not know that you were doing all that, and I personally thank you from the bottom of my heart for helping out the Discord like that. You are the man. Absolutely love you, brother. Javit the Barber, I don't know if you're in here, brother, but you won, man. You got an NFT. Shout out to you, brother. Congratulations. He says, shibby, yeah. Great video to really understand how to know the potential of how high a coin can perform. Bing bong. Shout out to you, Javit. Javit, they don't know how to cut hair in Atlanta. Or I haven't gone to the city of Atlanta to get my hair cut, but no one out here has been able to cut my hair to the standards of a New York cut. Bro, fly down here, man. Give me a good cut. I trust you. I don't know which winner this is. Do you know? Number 11, Funky Music. Love your videos, bro. With the thank you emoji, I think. Yeah, shout out to you, Funky Music. If you got any cool beats that you think we'd like for the stream, let me know, and we'll use it. We'll give you credit. Let's see. Justin H says, great content once again. Justin H, I appreciate you. I don't recognize you from chat, but I appreciate you watching the pre-recorded videos. You're the man. I appreciate you. You want a free NFT? Reach out to the mods in Discord to get it. Let's see. One cool GI. Frankie bringing the sauce. Let's go. I appreciate you, man. Congratulations. Reach out to the mods to get your NFT. Our next winner is Matthew Herbert. Good stuff. Matthew Herbert. You know what else is good stuff? Free NFTs, which is what you got. So shout out to you, man. Reach out to the mods. Next winner, let me know when we have one left so I can hold off and announce that. Ham Wizard says, thanks for the info, Frankie. Ham Wizard. I like that name. You're just casting spells on pigs or something. I don't know, but maybe we'll give you a pig NFT. Shout out to you, man. Reach out to the mods in Discord. Let's go. I got you. Oh, Javit, you're in here. Bro, congratulations. I got you, bro. Next time you are in Texas, I'll give you a fresh fade. Yo, dude, yes. I've been to Texas a few times just for work, so we do go out there often. So I'll hit you up, man, for sure. Dashing BH, I am here for giveaway. Lord Wojak, help me. Let's go. Well, you're here for the giveaway, and you won the giveaway. Dashing BH, we appreciate you watching the content. Thank you for the comment. Reach out to the mods in Discord. Yeah, Javit, I appreciate you, man. We will reach out to you. I'll reach out to you when we go back to Texas, for sure. Brian Chacon, amazing content, Frankie. Hey, Brian, I appreciate you. I appreciate the nice comment, man. We listen. Our YouTube barely gets any hate, like barely. We have such good people on YouTube. TikTok wants me dead. TikTok hates me. But they'll come around. They'll come around. Don't worry. We'll get them. Christina, congratulations. We can dream, though, right? Yes, you can absolutely dream. And again, just to say one more time, you want an NFT, reach out to the mods. Congratulations. Thank you for watching the channel and supporting. Hope you're learning something here. And yeah, guys, you can make money with sheep. I'm not saying you're not going to make money. I'm just saying it's not going to hit a cent. But it doesn't need to hit a cent for you to make money. Did I win? Hey, Jason Dickerson, you won. Shout out to you, man. Reach out to the mods in Discord to get your free NFT. Congratulations. Let's go. Let's see. Mitch McMahon. What is going on, man? Thank you for the nice comment. Awesome content on the low caps. Shout out to you, man. Congratulations. You won an NFT. Reach out to the mods in Discord. No, we love you. Cheers, bro. Frankie is everything. Hey, Aaron, I love you. V-Slim, I don't use TikTok. Not a good platform. Yeah, I think it's because they're young. I might just be too old for TikTok, maybe. I don't know. Chris Schaefer, what is going on? Chris Schaefer says, hello. Chris Schaefer, hello. Here's an NFT. Congratulations. Reach out to the mods in Discord. I love you, brother. Thank you for watching the content. Blanchard's Bees, where you at? Where you at? Congratulations to all the winners. Blanchards, this is why you deserve to win. It's because you're always, not just today, you are always in here congratulating the other winners. So you deserve this. Much, much deserved. Shout out to you, Blanchards. Thank you for watching. Nice info. Cha-ching. Shout out to you, Blanchards. Congratulations. Bubba says, I got to go, Frankie. Have a great weekend. Hashtag CandleMafia. Thanks. Of course, Bubbas, we love you. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for being here for so long. And hey, if you win a giveaway, we'll let you know. All right, here we go. Bada boom, bada boom. How many we got left? All right, one more after this. Bruce Kelting, congratulations. Yo, Frankie, you're the best. Bruce Kelting, no, you're the best, and I'll prove it by giving you a free NFT. I almost said a free XRP. One free XRP. Shout out to you, Bruce. One more, and then the XRP. Okay. So this is for the 50 XRP. This is for the 50 XRP, everybody. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Mr. A? Mr. A or Mr. Al? Rasha Almandi. I am praying for 0.005. I wish I had the website up. We'd find out what the market cap would have to be, and I would tell you if it's possible or not. But shout out to you, man. You're going to get 50 XRP. Now, as we said last time, I do want to let you guys know that if you do not claim your prize by next Friday, by the next giveaway, we will give it away to somebody else, just so you know. So if we don't hear from you by next week, we will give it away to somebody else. But don't worry, we give away so much stuff on this channel, you will get another chance. Now, okay, so now, hopefully you guys did not hear that. Oh, interesting. Okay, I just noticed I am on a, okay, I just realized I'm on the thumbnail of one of the newer videos of this. How long have we been going for? What time is it? 2 hours and 9 minutes. Okay, 393 people in here. I guess if you guys want to stick around, I'm going to pull up this video. It's probably going to be cringy, honestly, even though it was only a year ago, but it's probably going to make me cringe like crazy. But that's okay. I'm going to find this video of the video. If you guys are wondering what this is the video, one of the videos. It's a daily vlog that we used to do for the BitBoy Crypto Studios. And this one is Tony just sent me a message on Discord. Now I don't know what he was saying, but I don't know. He just sent me like a hate comment, but I have no context to what it is, so I don't know exactly what he was talking about. But guys, this video is my first day. This is one of my first days at the Hit Net, working at the Hit Network. It was during my interview, so this was before I even got the job. So let's see. I think it's this one right here. By the way, this is Hit Network's YouTube channel. Here we go. Why does this look like that? This is Hit Network's YouTube channel. And yeah, this is all different stuff, right? These are vlogs from when we went to Miami last year, not this year, but very cool stuff. These are cool episodes if you want to see some behind the scenes content. I would definitely push this. Very cool stuff if you're a big fan of the channel. I think this is the one. Now here we are. I'm gonna play this, guys. Let me know if you can hear it. I don't know if you guys are able to hear it.
When you're using apps on your iPhone, you may start to see this.
Should we go back to the charts?
It's the
Okay. Let's just check the big dump. Everybody's saying big dump. It's after hours. Oh, nothing too crazy. I mean, Ethereum didn't take too big of a dump. Yeah, we're good. We're good. All right. Here it is. Let me just make sure this is the right one, guys. Let me just make sure this is the right. Yeah, this is the right one. Okay. Okay. I think you guys can hear it. So here you go. I'm going to full screen it. So here you go. This is a little live screening. I understand a lot of people are probably going to leave. That's okay. You don't have to stick around for this, but it should be interesting for some of you guys. So here you go. Watch.
There it is.
Oh my God!
So what are the plans for the building, Ben, when we move in?
What was the other thing you were going to do, Mike, right after that call?
Good morning, everyone. I just pulled up, right, and I see this. A GTR? Oh my goodness. Everyone out here getting new cars. TJ really decided to stunt on all of us over the weekend.
Yeah, well, the BMW broke down for the last time.
Oh, dang.
It was time.
So it's not all a happy story then?
Well, I'm still here. I was supposed to be flying out Saturday. I missed my flight. So I've been needing to get this GTR. I've been wanting to get this GTR for a while. And decided, while I was sitting on the side of the road, tomorrow's GTR day. It was a fun weekend.
Cool. Well, good morning, TJ.
Good morning, Mike. Boom.
What about you, Ben? What's going on with you?
Well, you know, this GTR talk's got me really thinking about that Lambo.
I bet it does.
Well, and now, you know, we're officially buying the building.
Yeah, that got approved over the weekend, or whatever it is?
They agreed. We negotiated with them a price that we could agree on, and we're sending in the earnest money for it today, so we are getting the building. And so the best part of this is now I'll have a place
This was
to
at
park
the
the
old
Lambo.
building,
So
guys. So
now
just put the
I'm
earnest money
really
down on the
getting
building
serious
for
about
currently.
the Lambo. I
Crazy
think
to see
that
how everything
it's
played
going
out.
to take several months to actually get it. May have to go to Italy.
Drive it.
Who was?
Eron.
You let him drive it, huh?
Yeah, I let him drive it on the way back. And I was like, you know, he went with me yesterday. We had a really good time. I think he was nervous to go over the speed limit.
The whole circle here seems really cool about letting people drive other people's cars and stuff, which is cool.
Let my dad drive it, Robert.
pay attention to how happy TJ's face is when he lets this person drive their car.
How do you? Oh.
TJ gets genuine joy out of letting people drive his car.
Oh, right.
It's pretty basic on the inside, but
I got that.
oh my god, plenty of those moments.
Yeah, I'm sure. Woohoo! This thing is a rocket ship, man. We should get a GTR versus Hellcat thing going at some point.
We definitely will, I'm sure. All of them. The GTR, the C8, the Hellcat.
Oh yeah, the C8 too.
Eventually the Lambo.
This is the GTR. We gonna floor it. Oh, baby!
Oh my god, it gets up there so fast. Yeah. I got to like 80 just then.
All right, now go back and do it with just the paddle shifters.
Okay.
You won't have to leave third gear for sure. Just there it is.
Oh my god! Holy crap, that's fun. Wow, that is a good purchase there, TJ.
That is a fun car.
Who's pixelated?
Look what I got in the mail. This is some fan mail. Beginner's Guide to Building Muscle. And I said, man, if I keep working, maybe one day I can get as pixelated as this
my
guy.
God, you don't understand. This is perfect. I literally was like making something like that yesterday for myself.
Were you?
Yes.
Ooh, I need me one of those, honestly.
Sit in the office and make a routine.
There you go, buddy. New office.
Frank's here.
Frank's here.
Is that the offer?
I'm about to make my entrance, guys. This is my big moment of fame right here.
Exciting. Very exciting.
No, we're going to put a sign on the door. It says no boys allowed. Haley's coming too.
Is this cookies?
Yeah, those are amazing.
Don't need them.
I mean, they
kind
suck.
is
They're
it?
they're dirt.
Chocolate white chocolate chip, no fruit.
They're made out of dirt. They're horrible.
Can't eat those.
You're not missing much. They're horrible.
I'm cutting weight right now. Cutting weight. Whoa. Is that my bicep?
I was about to say,
I need a pop.
Mr. Elron.
How's it going?
Hey, buddy.
Printful banned our Win Lambo hoodie. Ben got one and like 2 other people got one, so if you got them, they're rare.
Ooh, okay.
There's a great chance the Bitcoin drops 85 to 90% at some point. While we don't think that time is now by any stretch of the imagination, there's a lot of evidence to suggest that at some point we will see that massive drop. So, Frank, you make workout videos?
Oh my god.
Not where I like working out. Do not make workout videos off.
Yeah, you do. That's what your whole portfolio is workout
Oh, I'm
videos.
sorry. Yeah, so yeah, that was actually a promo for a like a fitness company.
Yeah.
But yeah, fitness is fun to shoot.
I also remember 2 years experience on
Yeah,
TV.
it was just like I am.
Okay. That's very good. I put it on. Lorenzo's just like ripped, and so
Oh,
I put a beginner's guide to weightlifting the thing on his desk.
Oh, did you?
He raps too.
Yeah, yeah.
If you guys had any idea how nervous I was standing in this room right now, like this is what nervous Frank looks like. Nervous Frankie Candles right here. Just this is right when I met Ben for the first time. Like literally standing at this moment. I walked in the room and they just stuck the camera in my face right away. I had no idea what to do. I'm not gonna play this whole video,
Lorenzo's
though.
a very multi-talented fella. He's awesome.
He's one of the best 2 rappers in the office. So he did beat me in Mario Kart. I'm pretty upset about that. I did get.
You got beat by everyone in Mario Kart.
Listen, this weekend I bought Mortal Kombat for the PS5, so we'll be bringing that in, and I will officially put in that work against you guys. I like to play like man video games, not like children's video games, like Super Smash Brothers and Mario Kart. So
You're just mad because you lose at both of them.
yeah, I am.
So what are the plans for the building, Ben, when we move in?
Well, what we're considering doing is actually, it's got 2 floors, it's got a basement, be great for studio stuff. Upstairs would be great for editing and, having
I'm in the basement right now.
workshops. We want to do all kinds of stuff. But then we're also thinking about getting stairs built on both sides when you first walk in the building.
Really?
To have like kind of a catwalk second floor office area up there.
Oh,
So
dang. So you can
that's-
overlook on your kingdom from up there and
yeah,
all that?
that's where me and TJ will get together and look and point and be like, he's not working. What are they?
Okay, so I'm just going to fast forward to this next cringy part of me. If you guys want to watch the whole video, go watch they're on Hit Network. You guys can scroll back and watch all these vlogs. They get better and better. This one's kind of rough. This is before this was an old one, but they're pretty entertaining. But here we go.
I
Let's
love
cringe.
Waffle House.
Oh
huh?
yeah, I do.
My man is from New York, and we said go.
Imagine you have to send some crypto to a friend.
Guys,
You
I'm
ask
sorry,
for
I'm
their wallet
poor.
address. Palms get sweaty as you brace yourself.
Really? Okay, the internet decided to die. What happened? I was not pinging and bonging. All right. Well, YouTube died, guys. Okay, well, if you guys want to watch the rest of that, you guys, I kind of just wanted to show you guys that. That was literally the first day I was ever at this. They were talking about the studio. This studio did not exist. That was the first time I ever stepped foot at BitBoy Crypto. I just thought it'd be funny, super cringy, super awkward. I don't know why YouTube stopped working, but 343 people stuck around. Guys, I highly recommend that you guys go check out the Hit Network channel. This is not even me trying to push our channel. It's very, very YouTube. YouTuber doesn't pay for YouTube. Joel, yeah, guys, I can't afford YouTube Premium. I'm sorry. I'm just kidding. Yeah, I don't know why. I watch so much YouTube. I used to watch so much YouTube that you'd think I would have it, but I don't. But guys, go. The reason I brought this up was because TJ on the Hit Network account was in here, and Joel from Hit Gaming, and I literally didn't say to go watch or follow them. Go follow Hit Network, and those vlogs get more recent, so like not all of them are super old. There's one from a month ago. I'm in that one too. You could see the transformation, but it's really fun. Those videos are really cool. And then go follow Hit Gaming, guys. We're just getting this up and started. Joel is leading that, I believe. Joel's an awesome dude. He's gonna kind of be the face of Hit Gaming. So go watch them. It's gonna be super, super cool, super entertaining, and am I frozen? I can't tell. But, yeah, go follow Hit Gaming, guys. Go follow Hit Network if you like that episode and you want to see more stuff like that. But, yeah, Hit Gaming, they're going to have a lot of really cool stuff going on. I don't want to ruin any surprises, or I also don't want to say the wrong thing if they're not going to do it. So, but go follow them, guys. They're just getting the channel up and going. It's going to be pretty cool. We're going to be live streaming. I'm going to be hopping on there sometimes, maybe play a little bit of Halo. Going to be super fun, But with all that being said, guys, I think that's all we got for this episode, for this show tonight. Bitcoin is taking a little bit of a dump ski. I will share my screen. It does look like, I don't know why it's showing that I'm frozen, but I don't think I am. Yeah, Bitcoin, this whole bearish divergence thing is playing out, as you can see here. Let me just move this. Bada boom. Come on. There you go. Right? We are coming down. So that call was pretty good. There you go. So we are cooling off a little bit, guys, watching for that retest of this golden pocket for a possible entry for me, not for you guys, not financial advice. But thank you all. We still have 300 people in here. I'm surprised that many people stuck around through that video. I thought we were going to lose more. But yeah, guys, with all that being said, that's all I got for tonight's stream. Thank you all for sticking around to the end. And again, guys, thank you for bearing with me through this busy week. I know I wasn't able to give you guys as much TA as I usually able to. But Monday, guys, Monday, same place, same time, pre-records, back to streaming every single night. Debate Crypto is live right now. Go check them out. I think they are live right now. We ran late, but go check out Debate Crypto. And don't forget to join our trading competition at frankiecandles.com. Join the Bit Squad, and let's crush this thing. So shout out to you guys. I love each and every single one of you. That's all I got for today. See you on Monday, same place, same time. Back to that regular schedule. I love you all. That's all I got. Frankie Candles out. Bing bong.
Taylor Ramos.